I should record at the end of the session. Okay. So yeah, just look at the screen. I hope question is very clearly visible. Please try this, everyone. 23. Okay, Govind. Others also please try to answer it. Boys and girls, everyone, please ignore the options. Consider that there are no options and try the questions. Okay. Cool. Super. I think everyone got 44 as the answer. Cool. Super. Boys and girls, everyone, I am telling, don't think about the options for any questions in this session. Assume that there are no options and try them. Maybe few questions will be there where we have to know options for sure. That questions I'll show you the options. Okay. Cool. I got the answers from majority of people saying the answer as 44. Just a second. Okay, so I hope I have given enough time. Cool. Yes, 44, dear. Cool. So yeah, let's check it. If you haven't understood, if anyone didn't get it, just look at the screen and try to understand that. Okay. See here. Initially, A is 3, B is 13, C equals to 14, and D equal to 7. These are the values which are initially given for us. Now we are writing A plus C greater than B plus D. So now we have to compare A plus C. What is A plus C? 3 plus 14. What is 3 plus 14? 17. 17 greater than B plus D. What is B plus D? 13 plus 7. What is 13 plus 7? 20. Am I right? 17 greater than 20. Is it true? No. As of my knowledge, it is false. As it is false, we'll go for the else block. So from here, it will go to else block. In else block, what is there? J is running from B to C. That means what? J will be initially B value. What is B value? 13. So J value is 13 and it will run till C. That means what? 13 it will run. And also C is what? 14. So only for these two values it will run. Okay. But as of now, J value is 13. Let's figure out what happens for J is equal to 13. Thousand girls, others who didn't answer, listen carefully. Okay. A is equals to A plus J plus D. What is A value? It now 3. Plus J value is what? 13. Plus D value is what? 7. So what is the total? 13 plus 7 plus 3 is nothing but 23. Am I right? Now the current value, updated value of A is 23. I am writing it on the top left corner. See that? A is equal to 23. Then after that, I have J is equal to J plus 1. J was 13. That would become 14. That's all right. 14 is within the range B to C? Yes. So it will enter inside again A equals to, what is the current A value? 23. I have to take always the updated values. So 23 plus J value. Current J value is 14 plus current D value. What is current D value? 7. We didn't change D value anyway, right? So we are taking the same D value, 7. So 23 plus 7 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 44. A value is 44. The updated A value is 44. Okay. Then after that, what will happen? J will again get incremented. J will become 15. 15 is out of the range 13 to 14, right? So it comes out of the loop. Out of the loop, what is there? N of 4 after that, print A. What is A value? 44. Clear? I hope people who didn't answer it also got it. If any doubts, please ask. I hope everyone understood that. Rough work on the calculations. If anyone made any mistake, please correct them. I hope everyone understood that. Going for the next one. If any doubts, please stop me and ask. As of now, considering clear, going for the next one. Again, let me clear this. So now, see the next question. See this question, everyone. We got an array, and the array is given as 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, and then some pointers operations. Check carefully, use pen and paper for this, and please do it. Okay, I got one response. Mahesh, okay, fine. Others also, please try it fast. Okay, Mario says 418. Okay. Will others make it fast? I got different answers 218, 418. Okay, no problem. Check it. Others also, please continue. What happened? I got only very few responses. Rahul, Sri Samita. Okay, I got around 5 or 6 responses. Cool. I hope I have given enough time. If anyone else is still doing it, make it fast. I hope everyone got it. 418. Okay. So for this thing, boys and girls, you have to know the concept clearly. First, we have to know a small concept called pointers, pointer arithmetics. I mean, what is pointers? What is pointer arithmetics? And also we have to know what is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. If you know all these topics, we can easily answer this question. Okay, but just for reference, maybe it will be useful for other questions also. So listen to the concept which I am telling carefully. Okay. So what's the concept is like? Sorry, 1 second. Just listen carefully. Whenever I create an array, how does array get memory allocated? Now, first, I am writing num is equals to 1, comma 4, comma 8, comma 12, comma 16. So now, actually what will happen? First, memory will be allocated for a variable called num. In that, some address will be stored. Let us assume I am assuming that some address is something like 100. This 100 is nothing but the first address of the array. It's like one's address. Like that it will store. Okay. Now, what will be force address? It will be 1 plus size of integer. What is size of integer? 4. 100 plus 4 it will be. What is 100 plus 4? 104. So, address of 4 will be 104. Like that. Address of 8 will be plus 4 of 104, which is nothing but 108. Like that. Okay, these will be the address values like this. Okay. But array name will always store first address. I hope everyone understood this. Is it clear, everyone? Boys and girls, this is how memory gets allocated for arrays. I hope this is clear. Now, if that is clear, then we'll try to understand. For example, if I write num of 1, what does that mean? It is like value at the index 1. That's what we know. But how does it actually calculate? It will calculate like num plus 1 into size of integer. Size of integer is 4. Now, num is what? 100. 100 plus 1 into 4 is what? 4. 104. So value at 104 it takes. This is how indexing is possible. It is how it internally calculates. Okay. Now same thing. If you are writing num of 1 or you write num plus 1, both are actually same. Am I right? Yes or no? Value at num plus 1. Instead of writing num of 1 with square braces, I can write star of num plus 1. Num is 100. 100 plus 1 is 104, not 101. It's 104. Value at 104 is 4. Okay. Anyways, you can get the answer. Okay. Same way, if I write num plus 2 means what? What does num plus 2, star of num plus 2 means, boys and girls? Can you tell me that? If I write star of num plus 2, what is that? What element will it print? Exactly. 100 plus 4 into 2. What is that? 8. So 8, 108 means 8 value. That's it. Exactly. That is what pointer arithmetic is. If you add 1 for a pointer, it is not normal addition 1, it is 1 block addition. If you add 2 for a pointer, it is 2 blocks addition. Like that. Okay. Now let us see the question. Now you can easily understand the question carefully. So yeah. Now I have, let us assume for simple understanding, I am taking address of 1 as x, address of 4 as y, address of 8 as z. Instead of writing numbers, I'm just writing alphabets. Not a big deal for us. Okay. Now star A, star B are two pointers. I is declared. A is equals to num. What is A? A is a pointer in which we can store address. That means we are storing num. That means what? The first address of the array will be stored. That is nothing but X will be stored. Okay. A is storing X. Why? Because first address I have considered it as X. Maybe you can consider 100 also. Not a problem. Okay. A will not store 1. A will store num. Num means what? Num will be address, right? Understood that? Num is not the value, num is address. Yes, exactly. Address of 1. That's what I am considering it as X. So it will store X. Okay, cool, super. Yeah, perfect. Now next thing. B is equal to num plus 2. Num plus 2 means what? Num is X, num plus 2 means Z. So B will store Z. I mean, address of 8 indirectly. Okay. B will store Z, which is nothing but address of 8. Next. It is not num of 2, it is num plus 2. Num of 2 is different. Num of 2 is same as star of num plus 2. If you want to write num of 2, you should write like this. Num plus 2. Star of num plus 2. This is what we have to write. But we are not writing this. We are simply writing num plus 2. Num is address, add 2 for that. That's what it means. Okay. Now after that we are writing star A plus plus. Is it pre-increment or post-increment? What is this called as? Can you tell me that? Pre-increment or post-increment? What is it called as? Post, exactly. Super. It is called as post increment. Post increment means we will not update the value first. We will return the value first, later update it. So that means what? I have to return the value of star A first. What is the value of star A? What first? Let us see what is A. What is A? X. Star A means what? Star X. What is value at X? Value at X is what? 1. So what will it? What will I store? I will store 1. Understood, everyone? Just repeating again, very simple thing. Star A. As it is post increment, we will not do this incrementation first. We will return the value first. It is nothing but star A. Star A means value at A. What is A? X. Value at X. What is value at X? 1. So I value will be 1. But once this is done, the pointer will move ahead. Which one? A. A will move A plus plus. Means what? A was storing X. After that, A will store Y's address. Because A plus plus it is. Star A it is stored, then A plus plus, A value will get moved forward. Now, A will point to Y. Clear? After that, we are printing I value. What is I value? 1. That's perfect. Next, we are printing star A. Value at A. What is A? Y right now. Value at Y. What is value at Y? 4. Then we are printing star B. That means value at B. Value at Z. What is value at Z? 8. That's why the answer is 148. Clear? I hope everyone understood that. Yes, majority of you already answered correct. But if anyone got any mistake or maybe you got answer in a different way, just make sure that you understood this method also. Okay. I hope everyone is clear. If any doubts, please ask. If not, moving on for the next one. Going for the next question. I hope it's clear, everyone. If any doubts, please ask, or maybe just note down the question, page number or question number, or try to note down something similar in the question. Okay, like this question is pointers question. Later on, if I ask you if you want any repetition or anything like that, if you tell pointers question, I'll get back to that. Okay, once again, if needed at the end of the session. But as of now, going for the next one. So answer is 148. Perfect. Next. See this question, everyone. I think this is a repeated question if I am not wrong. I hope this question is done for you. If not done, no problem. Try it. If it's done, let me know. Done. I'll go for next. Few questions will be repeated. Ignore that. Hello 4. Okay. Was this question done earlier? Even if it is done, nothing, not a big deal. You can just see that. Yeah, tell me, dear. You can just post it in the chat box. One small doubt. Always welcome. Tell me. Yeah, everyone. I think it's done. This question is already done. Answer is hollow 4 for this. If you need an explanation, maybe I can give it again. But I hope you don't need it. You are clear with it. It's a simple traversal program. Okay. I is 0 to 4. It will keep incrementing by 1. At what time I value will be I value equal to 3. When I is 3, it will be 3. But A value will be incremented how many times? For 0, it will increment. For 1, it will increment. For 2, it will increment. For 3, it will increment. So A value will reach 4. At A equals to 4, I value will become 3 and then it gets terminated. That's what it happens. Okay. A is not initialized. Uh, yeah, that's actually, see, that's a pseudocode you have to consider. Here they are not asking predict the errors, right? And we don't have error in the option also. Got it? Yeah, Mario, I understood that. But what's the problem is it's a pseudocode. Lot of syntactic rules may or may not be followed. If for suppose they are asking predict the error or something like that, then we would have thought about it. Okay? We cannot in pseudocodes we cannot justify all the situations. Okay. I hope you understood why I am choosing why the answer is hollow 4. Cool. Try this one. Is this question done? M into O into O plus N. I hope as of my knowledge this is not done, I guess. Please try it. What happened? Is it difficult anything? I didn't get any responses yet. Okay. Ignore the options. Don't see the options. Options are absolutely wrong. You tell your answer what you got. Okay. One student got it. Others also please try it. Don't look at the options. Try the answer without the options. Few people got 105 as the answer. Few says the answer is 57061. Okay, we'll see that. Others also who didn't try it, make it fast. Okay. If majority of you are saying the answer is 57061, the people who gave other answers, can you just cross check once? As majority is saying, maybe they are correct. People who gave 105, just cross check your answers once again. I feel that the majority is saying different answers. You got something different. Just check that once. Okay. I hope the majority are saying 57061. 30 seconds more. If anyone is still making it, finish it soon. Yeah, I hope I gave enough time for you. 57061 is the answer. Probably. Let us check it. Okay. If any changes, we'll see. The first thing. M is 3, N is 2, O is 4. These are the fixed values which are given, initial values. N greater than 0. What is that? 2 greater than 0 is true. As it is true, we'll enter inside and then calculate M is equals to M into O. What is M? 3. 3 into 4, 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, which is nothing but 14. So M value is updated as 14. I am writing in the left side. M value is updated as 14. Okay. Then after that, then we are writing N equal to N minus 1. N value was 2. That would become 1 now. I'm just crossing it here only. N value is right now 1. Okay. After that end while, that means it will go back to the while loop 6. 1 greater than 0. Now the condition is what? 1 greater than 0. Is it true? Yes. As it is true, what will happen? It will enter inside that and then again calculates M is equals to M into O. But the current M value is 14, right? So 14. 14 into 4 plus 1. N value is 1. Right? What is 14 into 4? Can you tell me that? What is 14 into 4? It is 56. Am I right? 56 plus 1 is 57. So M value will be 57. Okay. That means the current updated M value is 57. I'm updating it on the left side to keep track. 57. Then after that, again it will go back. N equal to N minus 1. N value was 1. That would become 0 now. Now again, 0 greater than 0. Is it true? 0 greater than 0 is false. As it is false, what will happen? It will come out of the while loop. Out of the while loop, what is there? O is equals to O plus M. The current O value is still 4. Did we modify it anywhere? O value? Never, right? We just used that. We never modified it. So we are taking 4 plus M value. We have to take updated M value. Updated M value is 57. So 57. Then after that, what is that? Next. 54 plus 57 is 61. That means O value is 61. Perfect. Clear? So now, after that, we are printing the values. M value is 57, as you said, and N value is 0, the last updated value, perfect, and O value is 61. Got it? Here, I hope everyone got correct. People who got different answers, 105. I hope you understood where you made mistake. Okay? Going for the next one. Any doubts, please ask. If not, going for the next one. Yeah. See the next question. Boys and girls, at any point of time, any doubts, please make sure that you are asking it. Okay. See this question, everyone. I hope you know bitwise operators. Here we are using bitwise and bitwise OR. If you know that, then we can answer it easily. Oh, super. Everyone got the answer as 6. Cool. I hope everyone got 6 only. There are no confusions at all in this question. Looks like easy question for everyone. Cool. Let's try it, or maybe it is done earlier or what. I hope it's easy question for you all. And is more than or. Yes. And has more priority than compared to and. Anytime. Bitwise and as well as logical and. We have more priority than compared to bitwise or logical or. Okay. So yeah, first thing. Here we have 9 and x is equal to 9. Y is equals to 2. Now first, if you want to perform bitwise operators, you have to write the binary representation of them. So what is binary representation of 9? I should write in terms of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, anyways, whatever the values I want to use it. So what is the values I have to use? 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like this I have to use. So if I use 2 power 3, it is 8. And then if I use any other values, it is 2, it is 1. So I have to take, sorry, this is 2, this is 1. So I should take 10001, if I am not wrong. That's the binary representation of 9. I hope you know that how to calculate it. 1009. It's a binary representation of x. And in the same way, what is the binary representation of 2? Binary representation of 2 will be very simple. We have to take only 1 at the place of 2 power 1. And the remaining places I have to consider it as zeros. This is 1, okay? 1001. My mistake. That's not 9, 1001. Now we have to perform bitwise and between them because and has more priority than compared to bitwise or. So now, what is the bitwise and of this? 1 0 will become 0, 0 1 will become 0, 0 0 will become 0, 1 0 will become 0. That means what? This whole value becomes 0. So this first part we got it as 0. Now we have 0 or Z. What is Z? 6. What is bitwise representation of binary representation of 6? Actually speaking, whatever it may be. 0 or anything will be what? That value only, right? No need to even check also. If you want, you can maybe you can write it. Write the binary representation of 6. That is nothing but we have to write 4 plus 2. That I'll write it as 4 here and then 2 here, 0 0. Now if I do bitwise or what will happen? Bitwise or means if any one of the statement is true, the result is true. I have to consider 0 0 as false, 0 1. One of the statement is true, 1. 0 1. One of the statement is true, 1. Both are false, so false. Double zero, sorry, 0 1 1 0. That is nothing but 6. So A value is what? 6. A simple thing. But actually speaking, we don't need to do 0 or anything is going to be that number only. Or any number or 0 is going to be also that number only. Got it? Clear? Super. Bitwise operators, remember, here we have to remember the things are what is bitwise and what is bitwise or and what is the priority between them. Bitwise and means multiply the two bits. You can even remember it like multiplication of bits. Actually not, but similar to that. Because 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is also 0, only 1 into 1 is 1. That means both are true, it is 1. Okay. Bitwise or we can remember it like addition actually, but not exactly addition. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 we have to consider. Actually speaking 2, but any two positive values if you had, it is positive value only. So 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0 is only 0. Like that you can remember if you are getting confused. Okay. But I think you can easily remember. And means both should be true or means any one is true, true. Like that. Going for the next one. Answer is 6. What you got is absolutely correct. Next. See this question everyone. Looks like everyone got the answer. 55, 55, 55. I see only 55 is the answer. But someone said 10, 10. Is it so? Let's just check, cross check once. I hope majority of you are saying 55. Cool. Can we check it or still doing it? Oh, one more person says 10. App is declared locally. Yeah, but it's a static one. Remember, it's a static. It's a local variable, but it is static. Remember that. Static means what? That static statement will get executed only once. The remaining times it will not get reinitialized to 0. Okay, yes, and also set to 0. But that is a static variable. If you take a variable as static, that will get initialized only once. After that, next time it will not get reinitialized or redeclared. Okay, that you have to remember. That's the speciality of static. Okay, so I hope with static, the answer is people who said 10 also would have changed their answers, I guess, by understanding what is static. Yeah, cool. Let's see that. If anyone didn't get it still, let us just see that. We have variables as I, j, num. Num, enter the value of num. Num is entered by the user. What is the value given, which is given by the user for num? 10. So 10 is the initial value of num. Now, 1 to 10 numbers, you are running the loop. Okay. 1 to 10 numbers, you are running the loop. And then you are taking sap is equal to 0. Initially, sap value is 0. And then what you are doing? Sap is equal to sap plus I. For 0, you are adding I value. That means I is initially 1. We are adding 1 for sap. Then after that, j is equal to sap. That means this 1 you are copying into j. J will become 1. After that, end loop. That means you will go back. I value will become 2. Now, for the same sap, you are adding 2. That means what? Sap is already 1. For that only you are adding 2. That updated some 3, you are copying it into j. Again, you will go back. I value will become 3. You will add it, which is nothing but 6. Sap value will become 6. That sap value will be updated into j. Now, if you observe, it is just adding 1, 2, 3, so on to the sap. Till where it is adding? Till num. What is num? 10. That means what? It is indirectly speaking, it is very simple. Sum of 10 natural numbers. Right, exactly. Sum of n natural numbers code. So sum of 10 natural numbers we are adding. How can we calculate? No need to write it manually like this. You can simply calculate. How can I calculate? N into n plus 1 by 2. I hope everyone knows that. This formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of 10 natural numbers formula. That means what? 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. It's 2, okay? 1 by 2. 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2 is what? 10 into 11 by 2, which is nothing but, yeah, n into n plus 1 by 2. So, which is nothing but 55, right? Cool, super. That's it. Need not do it manually everything. Simply if you do n into n plus 1 by 2, you'll get it. Okay, 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2, 10 into 11 by 2. Answer is 55. Perfect, everyone. Cool. Let's go for the next one. Sorry, maybe my mistake. N into n plus 1 by 2. I think I wrote that mistake. N into n plus 1 by 2. What I said is correct. Maybe what I wrote, maybe different thing I wrote. N into n plus 1 by 2. Did I write n plus n plus n plus 1? Okay, my mistake. It is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, star. Here it's plus, here it's star. I hope now you got it. Going for the next one. No, Mohana, that's the thing I'm telling. For every iteration, see, so what you are saying is correct if it was not a static one. If I remove this one, declare sap and set sap equal to 0, then answer will be last updated value only 10. Okay, that's what the specialty of static. Static initialization will not get reinitialized every time. Static statements will execute only for the first step. That's it. After that, you will use the same variable which is already pre-declared as a static. Memory allocation will be only done once. It will not be redone. Understood? Clear? Yeah. Just because of static variable, answer is 55. If it was not static, if it was normal sap, set sap equal to 0, last updated value was 10, that only will be the answer. I'll agree with you in that case. Okay, both ways you should know the answer. Okay. I hope you understood the difference. Going for the next one. If still anyone, any doubt, please let me know. Going for the next one as of now, considering no doubts. Okay. I think this question is done. If I'm not wrong, few questions will be repeated here. Let me know if it's done. PQR question. Maybe similar question you would have done, not the same one. Done? Okay. So yeah, if it's done, can I go for next one? Yeah, majority, I think it's done for everyone. 7, 14, 24 is the answer. I hope you would have written in your notes or somewhere, or maybe you would have done it. You can recollect it. Okay. This one was done. I think this is not done. Maybe or may not be. Let me know. Please try it if it's not done. 70. I got some answers saying 39, 23, 70. Okay, others also make it fast. Okay, 3, 10, 27, 70. Don't worry about the options. Answer may or may not be there in the options. You try your own answers. I got different answers here. I got majority people saying 23, 9, 23, 70 only. Okay, so I guess everyone says the answer is 3, 10, 27, 70. Okay, we got different answer here. Let's check. I think can we check it or still need time? If anyone is still doing, make it fast. 3, 9, 27, 70. 3, 9, 20, 3, 10, 27, 70. Okay, getting multiple answers. Okay, so can I still doing? Still doing 30 seconds more. Make it fast. Okay, so I'm just going through it. Just see that A is 1, B is 2 initially. I is equal to 0. When I equal to 0, what is happening? 1 second. Okay. When I equal to 0, that is taking I value as 0, then we'll start I 0 less than or equal to 6 true enters inside A equal to A plus B plus I. That is nothing but A equals to 1 plus 2 plus I value is 0. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is what? 3. So A value is 3 as of now. Okay, I'll just write that A value is 3 as of now. Then after that, what's the next thing? A is equal to A plus B. That means what? A is equals to A value is 3 already. So B value is what? 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then again after that, B is equals to A minus B. What is A? 5. Minus B was 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So B value is updated as 3. So output print B. That means what? First output is 3. Yes. What you have said, I am writing it on the top corner. First output we got is 3. Top right corner, I hope it's visible to you all. 3 is the first output. But just for clarity, I'll write the last updated values on the left top corner. Okay. A is last updated value of A is 5 and last updated value of B is 3. Just for understanding, I'm just writing it here. Now we'll go back to the loop. I value was initially 0. Now it becomes 2. Right? 0 plus 2, which is nothing but 2. Right now, I value is 2. Let me write it. I value it now is 2. When I is 2, what will happen? 2 less than or equal to 6. True. Enters inside. As it enters inside, it will come inside. Then 3 plus 4, you are saying something? Probably. But that's everyone may not understand. So I'm going it in the basic traversal. Okay. Now A equal to A plus B plus I, that is nothing but A is 5 plus 2 plus I value is also 2. This is nothing but 9. A value is 9. Okay. Then again A equal to A plus B. That means 9 plus B value, last updated value is 3, which is nothing but 9 plus 3 is 11. 11 only or what? 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12, right? Okay. B value is 12. Okay. I hope it's correct. 12. So it will print A value is right. Sorry, my mistake. A value is 12. And then B is equals to 12 minus 3, which is nothing but 9 again. Right. So last updated value of B is 9 and last updated value of A is 12. The second output you are getting is 9. Well, boys and girls who got 10, please correct it. I hope you got it where you made mistake. The last updated value of B we are getting is 9. Am I right or did I make any mistake? B is 3, so A is equals to 5. Yes, 5 plus 3 plus. Oh, okay, okay. I took B value, not updated one. Sorry, my mistake. A value, last updated value of A was 5. B was 3. Yeah, you're correct. My mistake. Sorry. B, we printed 3 and last updated values were these, right? Then we are writing A is equals to A plus B plus I. That means 5 plus 3 plus 2. Yes, you are correct. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. A value becomes 10. Okay, yes, correct. A value is 10. Again, A value will become A is equal to A plus B. That is 10 plus 3, 13. Then B value becomes 13 minus 3, which is nothing but 10. Okay. So last updated value of A is 13. B is 10. 13 and 10. So output we get, the second output we got is, which is nothing but 10. Yes. What you said is correct, boys and girls. Who said 10 is correct. Okay, my mistake. I didn't see that. Next, after that, I value will become 4. When I is 4, what will happen? 4 less than or equal to 6, true. Enters inside. A is equals to A plus. Let us write that A value is initially 13. 13 plus B value is 10 plus current I value is 4. What is the sum, total sum? 27. Right. So A value becomes 27. But 27 plus B value. What is B value again? 10, which is nothing but 37. So B value updated, A value updated is 37. Then B is equals to A minus B. 37 minus 10. 37 minus 10 is 27. The last updated value of A is 27. Sorry, 37. And B is 27. And then we'll print B. So it prints 27. After that, I was 2, I will become, sorry, I was 4, I will become 6. 6 less than or equal to 6, true, enters inside. Again, it starts. Now, A value is 37. Let's write that. A is equal to 37 plus 27 plus I value is 6. What is the total there for that? 37 plus 27. 37 plus 27 is 64 plus 6 will be 70. Right? So it is 70. Now again 70 plus B. 70 plus 27. What is that? 97. Am I right? So A value will become 97. Then again B is equals to 97 minus 27, which is nothing but 70. Okay. So B will be printed, which is 70, the fourth output. Then after that, it will go back to I. I value will become 8. 8 less than or equal to 6 is false. Stops. So what is the output we got? 3, 10, 27, 70. So answer is 3, 10, 27, 70. Okay. 3, 10, 27, 70, option 4. Clear? I hope everyone understood that. If anyone made any mistakes, please correct them. 3, 10, 27, 70 is correct. Few of you said correct, few of you said different answers. I hope you got it now. Going for the next one. Any doubts, please ask. If not, we'll move on for the next one. Considering no doubts, going for the next one. Okay, try this question, everyone. Let me know if the question is done earlier. If not, let's try it. I'm getting different answers. Sir, is that A into 0? Yes, dear. That is A into 0. Few says 2, 3. Few says 3, 3. Just check. It is A into 0. Yes. 2, 3. Majority says 2, 3 is the answer. Let's check it. I hope this is a simple one, not a difficult question. Cool. I hope everyone got it. If anyone didn't get it, just look at the screen and try to understand that. Just see that. A is initially 3 and B is 2. A plus B. A plus B is nothing but 3 plus 2, 5. 5 less than 7. Is it true? Yes. As it is true, it will enter inside. 5 will, sorry, 5 will read. Yeah, 5 less than 7 is true. As it is true, it will enter inside. A is equals to A into 0 plus B. A into 0 means what? 0. 0 plus B means what? B only. Only B means what? A value will be updated as 2. It is nothing but same as B value. Okay. Now, as if is executed, else will not get executed, right? Now, if else is not executed, directly comes out of the if else part. It is nothing but we are printing A value. What is A value? 2. And then we are printing B plus 1. B value was 2, but B plus 1 means what? 3. The output is 2, 3. Okay. Perfect. People who said 3, 3, please correct. Output is 2, 3. Okay. Easy one, I hope. Going for the next one. 2, 3 is the answer. Next. Try this question, everyone. Yeah, reverse number program. I hope everyone understood that it's a reverse number program, right? Cool, super. I guess you would have practiced this lot of times in your C language or wherever you would have studied programming language. It's simply we are writing Q is N is copied into Q, then we are writing Q mod 10. That means we will get the last digit, which is nothing but 5. Then after that, we are writing Rn equals to Rn into 10. That means Rn is initially 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus remainder. So last digit we are adding 5. Next time you are making the number as q by 10. That means it will become 674. For 674, what will happen? Again goes, repeats 4 to 6 steps. That means it will go to 4 steps. 674 mod 10. You will get 4. For that 4, result was already 5. 5 into 10. 50 plus 4. 54 it will become. And then again, result number is made as 67. For 67, again you will get the remainder which is 7. But already number was 54. 54 into 10, 540 plus 7. 547 it will become. Then 67 will become 6. For 6 it will go. 6 mod 10 will become 6 only. You already have 547 into 10. 5470 plus 6, which is nothing but 5476. And then q is equal to q by 10, which is nothing but 0. That's it. So answer is what? 5476 if you print it. Okay. I hope everyone understood that it's a reverse of a number program. Cool, super. Answer is 5476. If any doubts, please ask, but I hope it's a simple one. Going for the next one. Next. Try this question, everyone. Look at this question, everyone. Please try that. Check what order it is sorting. I hope everyone knows sorting techniques. You would have studied sorting techniques. You all know sorting techniques, boys and girls? I hope you know sorting techniques. Bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, pick sort, heap sort, radix sort, all these things. You know them? Ascending order here. Ascending order. Smaller to bigger. Increasing order we call it as, not decreasing order. Because we are comparing the current element. If the current element is greater than next element, we are swapping it. That means what? Greater you are swapping with the next one. Right? See that. A of D is compared with A of D plus 1. That means zeroth element is compared with index 1 element. If the current D zeroth element is greater than the index 1 element, you are swapping those two. That means what? Greatest number you are moving forward. And you are comparing always to adjacent elements. What is this sorting technique called as? Bubble sort. Now, in bubble sort, what will happen? Largest number will move towards the backwards. Ascending order sorting they are doing. Once we are done with all the iterations, it will get sorted in the ascending order sort. You have just print the element of the array in ascending order. That is nothing but 12, 13, 23, 45, 67. Okay. 12, 13, 23, 45, 67 is the answer. I hope everyone understood that. 12, 13, 25. In the options are wrong. Don't worry about it. But whatever the elements are there, those get printed in the sorted order. 12, 13, 23, 25, 45, 67. That's the answer. Okay, cool. Going for the next one. Yeah, this is the next question. Please try this. We'll be printing both result and A. Check that. Both of them we have to print. Yeah, dear. Sorry for that. I didn't display that. Both A and result we have to print. So others were able to answer. Was it like already done or what? Was it done earlier, this question? Okay. If it's not done, probably no. A few says done, few says no. Okay. Maybe you were not there in the session or anything like that. Okay. No problem. If it's not done or done, not a big deal. It's not a big difficult question. Yesterday it came in test. Okay. Cool. Super. Yeah. That's the just see the question if you haven't got it. A is 2, B is 3, result equal to 1. While B not equal to 0, result equal to result into A. That means what? Result was initially 1. 1 into A. What is 1 into A? 1 into 2. So result will become 1 into 2 means 2. Next B is equal to B minus 1. B was 3. That will become 2. Now 2 not equal to 0. True. Enters inside. Result was already 2 into 2 again, which is nothing but 4. Next B value was 2. That will become 1 now. The B value is 1. When p value is 1, what will happen? 1 not equal to 0. 2 enters inside 4 into 2. Again, result into A. Result into A means 4 into 2, which is nothing but 8. Now B is equal to B minus 1. It was 1. It will become 0. Now comes back 0 not equal to 0. Is it true? False. As it is false, what will happen? Comes out of while loop. Out of while loop, what is there? Result greater than 5 it is there. What is the result? 8. 8 greater than 5. Is it true? Yes. As it is true, it will enter inside and makes A is equal to A minus 1. A was what? 2. That means A will become 1. So right now A value is 1. Result value is 8. Both of them we are printing. So the answer is 8, 1. Okay, understood, I hope. Answer is 8-1. Option A. I hope everyone got it. If anyone made any mistakes, please correct it. Going for the next one. Okay, please try this question, everyone. See that and try. Cool. Everyone got Priya's answer. Say recursion question. Recursion questions are very, very important. Yeah, number of digits. And A is static. That's why we are getting 3. If A was not static, we would have got 1 as the answer. And I think not even 1, 0 we would have got. Okay. So yeah, I hope you remember what was static. Static will get initialized only once. Either it is inside a loop or either it is in a recursion. Same thing will happen for static variable. Okay. So yeah, everyone got the answer as 3. But if anyone didn't get it, just see that initially input is 134. 134 in the first function, number is 134. Okay. Now we are checking static int A is equal to 0. That means A is initially 0. That is fixed as of now. And remember, A will never get reinitialized as 0. Only one time it will be done. So in the first function, it will get executed. Next time it won't be. Now num greater than 0. What is num? 134. 134 greater than 0, 2. A value was 0. A equal to A plus 1 means A value will become 1. Now when A value is 1, fun of, we are calling the function fun1 with num by 10. That means what? 134 by 10. That is nothing but 13. So for f of 13, fun1 of 13, what will happen? In this block, num value is 13. Okay. Now for 13, what will happen? It takes 13 greater than 0. It is true. Enters inside. A is equal to A plus 1. It will access the same A. A value was 1. It will become 2 because of static variable. Okay. It will not get reinitialized to 0. That's number of digits only. How is it getting calculated? Just understand that. Then we are again calling fun1 of num by 10. That means 13 by 10. What is 13 by 10? 1. It will call the function with what? In this block, function is called with 1. Num value is 1. Now 1 greater than 0. Is it true? Yes. Enters inside A equal to A plus 1. A value will become 3. Then fun1 of, we are calling the function again with num by 10. That means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0. Now we are again calling the function with 0. When we call the function with 0, what will happen? It will think 0 greater than 0. Is it true? No. As it is false, it will come to the else part. In else part, what is there? Return A. What is A value? 3. Got it? So it returns 3. So if you observe, it is simply counting the number of digits with recursion. Okay. Boys and girls, take a screenshot of this and keep it with you. It's a program of number of digits, calculating number of digits using recursion. Maybe you would have done this program earlier lot of times using loop. Same thing we are doing it with recursion. Okay. Take a screenshot of this program and keep it with you. Might be useful for programming also. Find the number of digits of a given number using recursion. Okay. I hope taken screenshot everyone. Going for the next one. Answer is 3. What you said is correct. Yeah. See the next question everyone. Yeah. Please see this question. This is the next question. I'll scroll down. See it till here. Boys and girls, do it till there. I'll scroll down after that. First, do it till here. Is it done till there? Can I scroll down? I hope you know these operators. What is this line number 3 operator called as, boys and girls? The operator which you see in line number 3. What is that called as? Left shift. Super. And then what is the line number 4 operator? What is the operator that you see in line number 4? XOR. Cool. I hope you know what to do for them. If you know what to do with them, then you can easily answer it. Okay. Then after doing this, what are the current values of X and Y? Tell me that. Can you tell me? Up to line number 5, what is the last updated value of X, last updated value of Y? Do that till there. Okay, 170 to 56 it seems. Okay. Meanwhile, let us do others. If you didn't get it, please make it fast. Till here, I'm just scrolling down. If you already got till there, do the remaining part also. Left shift, multiple or divide. Very simple, dear. Try to remember. See, what is the binary digit values will be? It will be 2 power 0. Then when you move towards the left side, it will be 2 power 1. Then again, if you move towards the left side, it will be 2 power 2. So here the value is 1. Here the value is 2. Here the value is 4. Now when you are moving towards the left side, value is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing, right? Value is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing. Increasing means what? Multiplication or division? Multiplication. So left shift means multiplication. Observe, 1 is becoming 2, 2 is becoming 4. That means getting multiplied by 2. Am I right? So that's why left shift means multiply by 2. Okay. So left one time they are telling, so multiply it by 2 one time. That's what it means. You want else part? I think if is not executed. Okay. If you want else part, I'm showing it. Maybe I think the screen is too big. I'm just reducing the size so that you can see completely together. I hope now it's visible, whole thing. Once the whole thing is done, we are checking count is what is the count and what printing X value or Y value. Do it till here. Tell me what is Y value, X value, and count after the while loop. You got it, all the values, X value, count value, Y value. Mario, just calculate X value, Y value, and count value, last updated values. If you let me know that, that's enough. If you know that, then you can answer that printing statement is nothing. Everyone, make it fast. Okay, I hope everyone got it. No, not yet. I got only one response. Someone said X value is 170, Y value is 1, count is 0. Others also make it fast. Someone said infinite loop also. Okay, we'll check that. Last updated values I'm asking, not intermediate values. Nothing but last 8 tasks. Once the whole code is done, after end of while loop, what is the X value, Y value, and count value? Okay, if anyone didn't get it, just listen carefully. Boys and girls, first listen the first part, the initial part, this left shift and right shift things. The first thing, listen that carefully. I is power of 2. So, sir, so last reduced value will be 1. Okay, we'll check that. Yeah, exactly. Y is in terms of powers of 2. So it will reach until it becomes 1, probably. Right. So, no problem. If you haven't got it, just listen carefully, everyone. Whoever didn't get it, just listen carefully. First, we have num as 85. Now count as 0. 85 left shift once. So when you are moving towards the left side, will the value will get multiplied by 2, right? You are actually speaking, you have to write binary representation of 85, then move one bit towards the left side and all. But not necessary to do it directly with shortcut method, simply multiply it by 2. So 85 into 2 is what? 170. So X value will become 170. 85 into 2, that's all. Okay. If they ask twice, what will you do? Again, 170 into 2 you will do. That's it. Okay. As of now, only once. So one time we are multiplying it by 2. Okay. I'll scroll down here. Just a second. So yeah, after that, y is equals to y equal to x or num. X value is 70. Num value is 85. So if you do XOR for this, what will you get? For that, you have to write the binary representations and do XOR. What is XOR? Can you tell me what is XOR? XOR means what? What happened, boys and girls? XOR. For odd ones, output is 1. Okay. For both bits are same, return 0. Else ones. Yes, exactly. If both are same, answer is 0. If both are different, answer is 1. Okay. Clear? So yeah. Now, cool. Now let us see. We have to convert, we have to take 170 is binary and 85 is binary. What is 170 is binary? What is 85 is binary? In this case, actually speaking, the numbers will get added in this case only. But generally, they won't. You have to, there is no option. We cannot always define that it's an addition. But if the numbers are contiguous numbers or half of the numbers, you can directly add the numbers. Okay. It will be simply 170 plus 85 if you do it. Okay, but if you want to do XOR, you can write binary representation of 170, binary representation of 85, and then do it. Yes, 85 left shift once you get 170. That is the reason why we will get uh, sum of them. The XOR will be sum of them. Okay. Now, if you add sum of them, what will happen? It will be 5, 2, 12, 1, 225. 25 only or 255, right? Sorry, 255. Okay, 255. Yes. And then y equal to y plus 1. Right now, y value was 255, y plus 1 is 256. Okay. The value we get is 256. Okay. Cool. Next. After that, what will happen? Now, while y by 2 not equal to 0, I'll just erase these things which are not necessary for us right now. This calculation is not needed. And this one, 85 intermediate value not necessary. Now we have a x value as 170, y value as 256. Now 256 by 2 not equal to 0. 256 by 2 is what? 128. 128 not equal to 0, true. Enter inside y mod 2. What is y? 256. 256 mod 2. Is it equal to 0? No. 256 is in terms of powers of 2, right? It is not 0. So it will be entering, it will not enter into the shift part. It will go to y equals to y by 2. That means y will become 128. Now, end of y goes back y 128 by 2. What is 128 by 2? 64. 64 not equal to 0. True. Interest inside. 128 mod 2. Is it equal to 0? No. Interest inside. Will it enter inside? No. It will come to the else part. In else part, what is there? I will become 64. Now, for 64, again goes back. 64 by 2 not equal to 0. 64 by 2 is what? 32. 32 not equal to 0. True. Enters inside. 64 mod 2. Is it 0? Is it not equal to 0? No, it's 0, right? 64 divided by 2. It's divisible. That means count will not be incremented. Now, y equal to y by 2, y will become 32. Next, 32 by 2 is 16. 16 not equal to 0. True, enters inside. 32 mod 2 is 0. But they are telling not equals to. So it will go to else part. Y will become 32 by 2. It is nothing but 16. Goes back 16 by 2 is 8. 8 not equal to 0. 16 mod 2 is not 0. It will become 8. Count is not incremented at all. If you observe, 8 will become 4, then 4 will become 2, then 2 will become what? 1. Now for 1, what will happen? Observe carefully. 2 by 2 is 1, 1 not equal to 0. So it continues for 2 also. Now for when y is 1, 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 0. 1 by 2 is 0. As it is 0, it will come out of while loop. Out of while loop, what is there? Just remember, what is the current updated value of y? Y is 1. And x is what? 170. We didn't modify it anywhere. Okay. These are the values we have. Now let's go for scroll down. Let's see. What is the count we got? Now tell me. Did the update count anywhere? Perseverance? Did we ever execute count? No. That means what is the initial value of count? 0 only. So if of 0 means true or false? False. As it is false, it will enter into the else part. In else part, what is there? Print 1 and then print x. What is x value? 170. So what's the answer? 1, 170. I hope you got it, everyone. Answer is 1, 170. Yes, exactly. I hope everyone understood that. If any doubts, anyone, please ask. Answer is 1, 170. Okay, no options given, but the answer is 1, 170. I hope it's clear. If any doubts, anyone, please ask. If not, moving on for the next one. No doubts, going for the next one. Cool. Just see this question, everyone. Try to answer this. Okay, everyone got it. It's a very simple one. Y equals to 5, z equal to y plus y equal to 10. Y equals to 10 means what? Auto, yeah, we didn't define anything. That means by default it is auto. Okay. So y equals to 10 means y value will get initialized to 10 and then it will get plus y. That means not nothing special about auto here because it is not affecting in any way. Okay, whether you write or not, auto variable, it's not a special thing. Nothing special about anything auto here. Auto means nothing but when you don't mention anything in C language, we consider it as auto. And yeah, y equals to 10, y value is updated as 10. that updated value only will take it as here. Because with braces has more priority than compared to anything. So that's why we are executing statement inside braces first. So y value is 10. That 10 only will again take 10 plus 10 is 20. Z value will become 20. Simple one. I hope everyone understood that. Easy one. Uh, If it is y, if it is by default, it's auto. Yeah, yes, dear. If it is static y, then doesn't matter. It still takes the last updated value, dear. Y is static or non-static, it won't make a difference. Why it will make a difference? If it's static also, still it will execute the same way. Here it's not dependent on static case because we are not running into multiple blocks or anything like that. Here it is a single block. That's it, right? And there is no loop or anything like that also. We are not re-declaring the variable, just assigning it. Static remembers only the state of the variable. Yes. Static, then it will be 15. Is it so? Then it will take y value directly or what? Okay, why don't we try it? Let's try it. What's the big deal in this? Once we'll try it. 1 second. Let us try it and check once. Not a problem. 1 second, boys and girls. Because order of execution, it depends. Maybe if it is 15, we have to consider like static has more priority. Static variables will take more priority, but let's see, no problem. What was that? I have a variable called int y is equals to 5. And then we have written z int z is equals to y plus y equals to 10. And then we are printing z value. I hope that's all right. Printf double quotes percentile d comma z. That's all right. Are we doing anything else? Let me check once. Y equal to 5, z equal to y plus y equal to 10. Print z. That's it. Print z. Yeah, that's all. Let us run it and check once. Normally, I'm checking first. It's 20. That we got it already. But let me make it static. Still 20. Right? That's what I told. See, static will affect us only when we take it is in multiple blocks or in multiple inside a loop or anything like that. There is no loop or there is no multiple blocks or multiple function calls. Right. Static int y you are telling. That's what static int y doesn't affect us. Okay. For auto, see, auto is different, static is different. Both are not related. Okay. Plus plus y plus y plus plus. Mario, that I'll talk about that when we get that question. We have some questions with on pre-increment, post-increment together. I'll discuss at that time. Okay, don't worry about that. If you want it now, if you just want to try it, I'll try it. But okay, no problem. Anyways, we have time. We'll do it as you asked. Plus plus y with spaces or without spaces. That also matters. What's your question? If I give spaces, then it is like this. Okay. First, I'm just trying without space, with spaces. Answer is 12 you are getting. Okay. And without spaces, just see that I think it will be same only because y plus y is the same. Yeah. It will be 12 because it won't affect us. First, it is pre-increment. See, I'll tell you if you want an explanation for this. First, we are writing plus plus y. That means it's a pre-increment. So y value will get updated as 6. Okay. So it will take the value as 6. I mean 6 plus plus it is y plus plus. Y plus plus means it is post increment, right? So first I will consider the value of y, which is nothing but 6. But inside the memory, y value will get updated as 7. Okay. Y value will get updated as 7. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So it will print 12. Okay. Understood this? Others also, I hope it's clear. It's a question of pre-increment, post-increment differences. Okay, y plus 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 y. I think that will give error. because we cannot keep those many pluses in between without any space. Probably, not sure. This one you asked five pluses or maybe y plus plus plus. Yeah, it takes error. It won't consider. Okay, because it will not consider those many pluses. Static, I'll tell you again. I'll tell you separately about static in the afternoon session. Okay, don't worry. I'll take more examples of static and I'll tell you. Okay, just about static, I'll explain it like a topic better. Okay, then you might understand. Instead of question, I'll explain what is static variable and where is it used, when to use it. Okay, then you will understand better. Okay, we'll do that in the afternoon session. I hope that's fine for you. Okay, going for the next one as of now. See this one, everyone. I hope this one everyone got it. Let's try this one. Okay, just see this, boys and girls, everyone. Just see the question carefully and try to understand what is it doing. Mario, the question you asked, how many places? That depends on the situation here. We cannot define, we cannot fix that always. Because if you put bases, you can take more. If you keep spaces, you can take more. It depends on the situation. If you want more in detail, I'll explain that separately with more examples. Don't worry. Printing or traversing. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, just see that. It is not, it is printing all the elements, right? Probably. But we don't have an option called printing. Simply, it is like traversing all the elements. Yeah, exactly speaking, printing all the elements of the array, but we don't have anything like that. It's traversing the elements of the array. It's very simple. Let's look at that. We have something called as lower bound and upper bound of a linear array. Now initialize counter set k is equal to lower bound. Till upper bound, we are running the loop. Okay. Lower bound to upper bound, we are running the loop. Then repeat a is equals to LB to UB. That means what? A is a variable which is running from lowest possible index to highest possible index. And then we are printing A of k. After that, you are terminating the loop. After end of the loop, you are writing exit. That means what? Simply traversing the array and printing them. Right? You know this already. I hope everyone knows this. Simply traversing. Okay. See the next question. This question was done already just before we have done. So I'm just skipping it. Yeah, we have done it. That's why I'm skipping it. I think this one is not done. Please try it. Few of you got 28 already. Others also make it fast. Please try. It's a bit lengthy, but by understanding two or three iterations, you can easily understand. Just do two iterations or three iterations, you will understand what is happening. What happened? Others didn't get the answer yet. It's an easy one, not a difficult one. Please try it fast. Okay, if you got 96, okay, we'll see. Okay, got it everyone? For I equal to 1 to n, sigma n minus 1, sir. Sigma, what is sigma? I didn't get it. Okay, few says 96, few says 21, few says 28. Summation of terms. Yeah. Okay, let's see that. If you haven't got it, if anyone, let's look at that. Oh, I'm getting different answers for this. Why that so? It's a very simple one. Just see that. I is initially 1. 1 to n we are running the loop. That means what? 1 to 7 we are running the loop. Okay. Now when I is equal to 1, what is happening? Let us see. Let's assume I is 1. In that what you are doing? J is running for 1 to, J is running from 1 to I minus 1. 1 to 1 minus 1 means what? 0. Is there any possibility to run loop from 1 to 0? No possibility, right? We are not executing it all. When I is equal to 1, J is not executing even once also. Nothing is added. So next I goes for I equals to 2. When I equals to 2, what will happen? J will be 1 and it will run for 1 minus 1. Sorry, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means what? It's, maybe I can understand the statement like this. See, just for understanding, I'll write like this. See here. I'll write the condition like this. It is like j less than or equals to 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. Is it true? Yes. That means it is running one time. What we are adding? What are we adding? J is sum is equal to sum plus j. Sum was initially 0. Sum value will become 1 now. Okay. Sum value becomes 1. Next. If you observe, all the j values are getting added. So that means you have to understand how many times j is running. Okay. For 2 equals to 1, j was running for 1. Then j becomes 2. 2 less than or equals to 1, false. It will not run. Okay. And then let us try. When I equal to 3, j will run for what? 1 less than or equals to 3 minus 1. 2. It's true. J will become 2. 2 less than or equals to 2. It is true. That means what? It is running for 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means what? 3. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Sum was earlier 1. Now we are adding 3. Next time, when I equal to 4, what will happen? 1 less than or equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. So 1 less than or equal to 3, 2 less than or equal to 3, and 3 less than or equal to 3. Am I right? 3 times it is running. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. If you observe, it is sum of 1 natural numbers, sum of 2 natural numbers, sum of 3 natural numbers, when I equal to 4. When I equal to 5, sum of 4 natural numbers. So sum of 4 natural numbers is what? What is sum of 4 natural numbers? 10. Right? 10 will be added. Next time, when I equal to 6, sum of 5 natural numbers. What is sum of 5 natural numbers? 15. Next, when I equal to 7, what will happen? Sum of 6 natural numbers. What is sum of 6 natural numbers? 21. Okay. After that, I will become 8. 8 till 7 only we are running, right? Till 7. That means these numbers we have to add. What are the numbers? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. What is the result? Sum of them. Just calculate the sum. That's the answer. What is the sum you are getting? Just calculate it. 21 plus 10, 31, 31, 41, 45, 46, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Am I right? I think 56 you are getting, if I'm not wrong. Just add these values. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 plus 21. So answer is 56. Clear everyone? People who said different answers. I hope you got it now. 56 is the answer. I have seen people saying 97, 84, lot of other answers. I hope you got it now. Even 28 is also not correct. Okay. Answer is 56. If any doubts, please ask. Cool. I hope everyone understood that. Going for the next one. If any doubts, please ask. Get it clarified. Going for the next one as of now. Next. Please try this. What the answer? What will be considered? Yes, side. That's what the question is. So what will it consider? So for this, we need to know a bit of concept here. I mean, it's a simple thing. Just need to remember these things. See here. I think I'll better explain it on the compiler. Let's see that. See, uh, boys and girls, just tell me, in C language, can I write comma separated values directly? Is it allowed normally? Always can I write comma separated values? See here. For example, just tell me it is allowed or not. Okay. Can I write like this? Int x is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Can I write this or not? This will be executed or it will give error? No. Okay. Majority says error. Okay. Yes. It will give error. But for suppose if I write like this, tell me this now. In this case, will it execute or not? Yes or no? Varsha says yes. What about others? Yes. Everyone says yes. So just see that. If you want, I'll run it. There won't be any error. Okay, you can see that. I hope it's visible. No output. Maybe if you want to print the output also, I'll show you. Printf. What will it print? Can you guess? Person else. What do you think it will print? I got some answers. One. Oh, few says one. One person says three. Okay, let's see it. I'll show you. Just see that. What's the answer you got? One. So if you write comma separated values without braces, it will always take first value. Okay. Person else. Remember that. It will take the first value when you write comma separated values. But same thing observe. I'll put braces. In this case, can you tell me what will the output? 3. Exactly. So if you write with braces, it will always consider last value. Got it? In C language. Okay. With braces, last value. Without braces, first value. Okay. I hope now you understood this concept. If you understood this, then we can answer our question easily. Now tell me what is the answer. For sure, you can easily answer it. Answer will be 1 definitely. Why? Because z is equal to y plus plus. Y plus plus means it is post increment. Here it will consider 0. But in the memory, value will be updated as 1. Then again we are writing by, that means it will consider 1. So with braces 0 comma 1 means last value it will consider, which is 1. That's it. Understood? Clear everyone? I hope it's clear. Easy things. Just remember, If you write comma separated values, first value without braces. With braces, last value. That's all you have to remember. Going for the next one. Try this one, everyone. Address of R constant does not change. Yes, exactly. Here, if you observe, there is something called as int star constant. What is the specialty of constant, boys and girls? Constant means cannot be modified. You cannot update it or you cannot modify it. Okay. Constant pointer or constant variable, whatever it may be, you cannot modify it. Okay. It's taken as a macro. Not a macro. Macro is different concept again. Macro is something what we write with hash define, something like that. Those are different things. Those are symbolic constants. That is different. Here, constant keyword is different. Don't club them. Macros is predefined statements called hash defined that things. Okay. So here it's a constant keyword means it cannot be modified. Okay. Cannot be modified means first you are storing p is equal to address of k. It's stored. Then you are writing again p is equal to address of r. Can you update the address in a constant pointer? No. Constant means it is fixed one. Once you store it, you cannot modify it. Okay. That's why it will give error. Answer is error for this. Okay, boys and girls. Because of constant, we get the answer as error. Will it give an assignment error or else other error? It will give that constant value cannot be modified. It will give that error only. If you want to see that error message, maybe I'll just try to show you here. Let me consider one small thing. X is equals to 10, I'll write. And then I'll write int star p is equals to address of x. Let me make it as constant. Okay. Then I'll write uh, another variable int y is equals to 5. Then I'll write p is equals to address of y. Okay. The same question, but with different variables I'm writing. Not giving any error. P is equals to address of y. Printf double quote percentile d comma. What we are printing? Let's see that. What was the printing statement? P we are printing. Okay. We cannot print pre. It will print some reference. Let me print if needed. It will print some reference ID. Let us see that. Is it getting modified? It shows, okay, percentile D. It's because it's warning it is giving because of the address. Percentile ls I have to use. Let me use that because of a pointer returns long unsigned int. It's not printing anything. Here P, yeah, P is pointer now. Constant int star P. Y is storing address of P. I'm just storing a different address. Is there anything different in the question? Int star constant they have given. Maybe that does that make different? Int star constant. Let's write the same syntax. Int star constant. Int star const space. But here const is not changing. Const. That's it, right? Let's try it now. Yeah, see here. Assignment of read only variable p. Constant means what? Read only variable. You are trying to modify it. It's not modifiable. Okay. I hope you got it. Read only variable error. Understood? I hope everyone. Cool. Yeah. Just let's go for the next one. I hope it's clear, everyone. When x equal to 11, y equal to 5, what will be the output? Let's try it. But the answer last function is 1 comma 0. Is it so? 1 is the answer you got, everyone. Okay. When are we returning y is what we have to check. So look like everyone got 1 only. Let us see that. Okay. First we are calling the function with 11 comma 5. So 11 comma 5, 11 equal to 0. Is it true? No. It will come here. It will call the function with 11 minus 1. What is 11 minus 1? 10. 10 comma x minus 5. 11 minus 5 is what? 6. We are calling the function with 10 comma 6. Okay. Now again this one will call 10 minus 1, 9, 9 comma 10 minus 6, which is 4. It will call 9 comma 4. It's too many function calls. You have to keep track of that function calls properly. 9 comma 4 will call 8 comma 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. Right. What will 8 comma 5 call? 7 comma 8 minus 5 is 3. Am I right? I hope I'm not making any mistake. If I make any mistake, please correct me. 7 comma 3 will again call 6 comma 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. Now 6 comma 4 again will call 5 comma 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. Now for 5 comma 2 again it will call 4 comma 5 minus 2, which is 3. 4 comma 3. Now 4 comma 3 will again call what? 3 comma 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? 1. Now 3 comma 1 will again call from here to here we came. Okay. This one here to here. Now 3 comma 1 we call 3 minus 1. This is nothing but 2 comma 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. 2 comma 2 it will call. Now 2 comma 2 what will happen? 2 will become 1. 1 comma 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 comma 0 it will call. For 1 comma 0 again it will call the function 1 equal to 0 false. It will still call 1 minus 1 0 comma 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. It will call the function with 0 comma 1. When I call the function with 0 comma 1, x is 0. True. So it returns 1 y value 1. That's it. Okay. Just need to keep track of this recursive calls. If you are able to understand that, then it is easy. I hope everyone understood that. If any doubts, please ask. If not, that's fine. Got it, everyone? Boys and girls, got it or not? Yes or no? Let me know that. I hope it's clear. Cool. Super. Okay. Now we will take a lunch break from 12 to 1. We'll meet back at 1. Is that fine? Okay. Boys and girls, you can take a lunch break. 12 to 1. We'll take a lunch break and we'll join back. Please make sure that you are joining back at 1. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. I'm not closing the meeting. Meeting will be there. You can leave and you can join back. Okay. Okay. So I hope this one we were clear with it in the morning session. Now let us see the next question. Okay. Fine, boys and girls, please try this question, everyone. I hope you haven't done this question, or did we do this? If it is done, let me know. We'll go for the next one. If it's already done, you should let me know whether it is done or not done. If it's not done, please try it right away. Everyone, I hope you are back and I hope you have a pen and paper with you. Please try this question quickly. For open person, what's the answer for this? I got one response 336, 3029, 336. I got two responses. Others, make it fast. I think this is something which you have done earlier. I'm guessing. Maybe you would have done it in the first 10 questions or 20 questions. If not, no problem. Just make it fast. 336. Everyone got 336 only or any other answers? Let me know if anyone else got any other answers. Max, one more minute for this question, not more than that. Make it fast. Looks like everyone got the same answer 336 for this. Okay. If anyone didn't get it, just look at the screen and try that. Just listen to me. Initially, we have some A value and B value fixed, which are nothing but 6 and 9. Then we have 6 greater than 10. Is it true or false? 6 greater than 10 is what? False. As it is false, should I check the second one? Need not. Because false and anything is going to be false only. So as the first is the condition is false, we'll go to the else part. What is else part? N is running from 6 till where n equal to 6, and we are writing n less than b. That means what? N less than 9. That means for what are the values it will run? It will run for 6, it will run for 7, it will run for 8. For 9, it will get terminated. Right? When n is 9, it will get terminated. Right? So for 6, 7, 8, it will run. What we are doing, every n value which is same, then we are multiplying it with a variable called result. That means what? When n equal to 6, result into n. That is what? 1 into 6. Result will become 6. Next. Next one, n will be 7, n equal to n plus 1, 7 less than 9, true. 6 into 7. It will calculate what is 6 into 7 value? 6 into 7 is 42, right? So that n result will become 42. Next 42, next time n will become n plus 1, n will become 8. 6 into 42 into 8. What is 42 into 8? 336. Am I right? It is 336. 336 locates, calculate once. Maybe mistake in the calculation, I guess. 336 is the answer. Okay, that's all. So after 336, n will become, yeah, exactly. So maybe typing mistake, I guess. So yeah. Next time n will become 9. 9 less than 9, false, terminates. So the answer is 336. Okay. I hope it's a simple one. Going for the next one. Let's see. Go fast. We are a bit slow. Let us go a bit quicker. See this question, everyone. Try to write this answer. Here, for this question, n value is 7. If n equal to 7, what will be the output? I'm writing n as 7 here beside. Let's see that. When n is 7, what will be the output for this? Okay, everyone got the answer? 28, 28, 21, sum of n natural numbers. Is it adding sum of n natural numbers? Up to 9. Up to 7 or 9? Okay, so no problem. Let us see. People says, everyone says up to 7. Okay. So majority says the answer is 28. Okay. Sum of 7 natural numbers, is it meant? Okay, let's see that. M equal to 1. 1 greater than 1 greater than 7. Is it true? False. As it is false, it will come to the else part. T is equals to T plus M. What is M value? 1. So 1 will be added to T, then M equal to M plus 1. M will become 2. So with next, it goes back. Go to line number 3 we are telling. Right. Line number 3 means what? It will go back. Just a second, guys. Yeah, sorry for that. M value will become 2, 2 greater than 7 false. So T will be added with M. That means 2 is getting added, right? Then again M value will become 3. Next time 3 greater than 7 false, 3 will be added. So if you observe till where it will get added, 4 greater than 7 false, 4 will get added. 5 greater than 7 false, 5 will get added. 6 greater than 7 false, 6 will get added. When 7 greater than 7 is false or true? False. That means 7 will also be added. 8 greater than 7, true. For 8, it will get terminated, it comes out of the loop. So we are adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 7 we are adding. So what is the sum of this? Calculate that. That is the answer. I hope you already added it and got the answer. Yeah. What's the answer? 7 plus 3, 10, 21, 25, 26, 27, 27, 28. Yeah. Answer is 28. I hope you got it, everyone. What you answered is correct. Going for the next one. Easy one, I guess. Right? Yeah. Or yeah, some any 10 plus 1 by 2 also we can do. That is also fine. Okay. 28 is the answer. Next. Try this question, everyone. Please try this. Okay. Looks like everyone got the answer as 0, 1, 2, 3 only. Is it so? Are you sure? Just cross check once again. 0, 1, 2, 3 or 0, 1, 2, 4. How many values? That also matters. We are printing only total 4 values. Just check that. Yes. Now I got correct answer 0, 1, 2, 4. I think by doing 0, 1, 2, 0 or 0, 1, 2, you decided that next will be 3. Not like that. It's actually 0, 1, 2, 4. Check that carefully once again. People who got 0, 1, 2, 3, just check where you might made a mistake. Answer is 0, 1, 2, 4. Cool. I hope everyone got it. If anyone didn't get it, look at the screen and listen that x equal to 0, y equals to 1. Initially, I equals to 1. When I equals to 1, 1 less than or equal to 4, 2, it prints x value, which is nothing but 1. The first output we got is 1. After that, what we are doing, x equal to x plus y. What is y value? 0 plus 1. Right? 0 plus 1 means what? 1. So x value will become 1. Then after that, y equals to x by y. X value is 1, y value is 1. 1 by 1 is what? 1. So y value will be 1. Next, goes back. That's all right. Or are we making any mistake? Print x, we printed 1. Then, okay. No, sorry. First output is 0, right? My mistake. X is initially 0. My mistake. X is initially 0. Y is 1. 1 less than or equal to 4, 2. Print x. So we printed 0. Now x equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. Y equal to x by y, which is 1 by 1, which is 1. Now goes back. I equal to I plus 1. I will be 2. 2 less than or equal to 4, true, enters inside print x. Current x value is 1, so 1 will get printed. Then x equal to x plus y, which is nothing but 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then y is equal to x by y. X is 2, y is 1, 2 by 1 is 2. Sorry, 2 by 1 is what? 2, right? Y is also 2 now. Next, after that, I equal to I plus 1, I value will become 3. When I equal to 3, x value will get printed, which is 2. Then x equal to y, x plus y, which is nothing but 2 plus 2, which is 4. Next, x equal to x by y. That means 4 by 2. What is 4 by 2? 2 only. It's back, I equal to I plus 1, I will become 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. True, enters inside, prints x. X value will be 4, that what we got printed. And after that, x equal to x plus y, 4 plus 2 is 6. X, y equal to x by y, 2 by 6 is 3. Sorry, 6 by 2 is 3. Now goes back, I value will become 5. When I equal to 5, loop gets terminated. That's all right. When I equal to 5, loop gets terminated. Got it, everyone? Answer is 1, 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay, because 2 plus 2 we are adding at the last but one stage. So answer is 0, 1, 2, 4. What you got is correct? Yes. Okay, going for the next one. I hope it's clear, everyone. If any doubts, please ask. If not, going for the next one. Yeah, see this question and try that, everyone. I'll scroll down. Just see this till here. Or is it done earlier? 343. Output is also 343. Is it so? Just see that. Just see what we are printing also, boys and girls. There are two outputs here, not one. Given the input M is 343. Okay. N is 343, not M. Just observe carefully and try. There are two outputs. See carefully. Three 344. Are you sure, everyone? Check carefully once again. If you want, I'll scroll down. If you says 342, I think the problem is either 342 or 344. Second output. First output, I hope everyone understood that. What is that while loop doing, boys and girls? Can you tell me what is this while loop doing? It is just calculating the reverse. Am I right? Yes or no? Once the reverse is calculated, okay, just see here carefully. Yeah, n value changes further. That's what you have to figure out. Just see it. See here, boys and girls. Just see here, everyone. First, n is equal to 343. M equal to n. Now, m value is 343. Okay. M value is 343. After that, what we are doing? Now, n is equals to 0, not equal to 0, true. We are just calculating the reverse. It will calculate the reverse, which is nothing but s as 343. Because 343's reverse is 343 only. That's fine. But remember, while doing this process, we are making n as 0. Yes or no? First, 340, n was 343. 343 will become 34. 34 will become 3. And 3 will become 0. Then only will stop the loop. Now, as of now, what is S value? 343. So the first output is 343. As you said, that's fine. But what about second output? We are comparing n is equals to m. Is it true or false? N is equals to m. What is n value right now? The updated n value is what? 0, right? Now you are comparing 0 is equals to m. M value is what? 343. The given copy variable. Are they same? No. As they are not same, what will happen? It will come out of if. That means else part. M minus 1. What is m minus 1? 343 minus 1, 342. Got it, everyone? Understood that? Because n became 0 and we are using n value again, which was 0. Instead of n, if they would have compared with s, then maybe it would have been 344, as you said. But they are not comparing with the result. They are comparing with the modified value. Okay. I hope everyone understood that. Okay, considering it's clear, going for the next one. If any doubts, please ask. If not, we'll move on for the next one. Answer is 343, 342. Okay, not 344. 344 is wrong. If S was compared, then 343. S value is 343 because we calculated reverse here. See what is S doing? What are we doing here? Logic. 343, n not equal to 0. 343 not equal to 0. Enters inside r equal to 343 mod 10, which is 3. S equal to S is initially 1 we have to consider. It's not there, but we have to consider 0. Okay, if I consider 0, 0 into 10 is 0 plus r. It will add 3. Next time, n equal to n by 10, n will become 34. 34 not equal to 0, true. Enters inside 34 mod 10 is 4. S was already 3. 3 into 10 is 30 plus 4. It becomes 34. N equals to n by 10. 34 by 10 will become 3. Goes back 3 not equal to 0. R is now 3 mod 10. 3 mod 10 is 3. Enters inside S equal to S into 10. S was 34. 34 into 10, 340 plus 3. 343. N equal to n by 10. 3 by 10 is 0. N value is right now 0. Okay, n value became 0. S value became 343. Right, we calculated the reverse. Understood that? Yes, initially we have to consider it 0 here. It's not given. We have to consider it 0. Okay. So S value will be 343. And then we are printing the test. So answer is 343 first output. Then we are comparing n is equals to m. The first output is S value. And later they are comparing n, the modified value which is 0 is compared with m. Are they same? No, we made it 0, right? As we made it 0, it is not same. It will not, if condition will be false. As if it's false, it will enter into else part and print the m minus 1, which is 342. Okay. I hope everyone understood that now. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. Can I go for the next one? Going for the next one, boys and girls. Clear. Super. Okay. The next one. Yeah. Please try this question. Let me know if you have done this question, any question earlier. There might be some repeated questions. If it's a repeated question anytime, please let me know. Done already? Yeah. I think this one we have done in the morning also. Or maybe in the beginning only you would have done it. If this question comes in the first 20 questions, probably. This one not done, I guess. Yeah. This one not done for sure. Let's try it. Is that question, everyone? Was this also done? I hope this one is not done. Let's try it. No, not done. Okay, fine. Maximum we have to pick. So answer is 4 you are telling. Okay. Let's see the others also. Everyone says 4 only or any other answers? 4? Yes. So only thing, very simple thing. What does size of, how does memory get allocated for a union? Whichever the member has the maximum capacity, that it will allocate. So in that case, what's the answer? 4 is the answer. Okay. But boys and girls, there is some topic for this structure and union. Do you all know the concept of structure and union very clearly? Do you know the concept of padding? Boys and girls, have you ever heard about the concept of padding? Yes or no? Padding, structure padding, union padding. No? Okay. Then let us do that topic, then we'll continue it. Okay. Let's see. For example, let us assume I have a structure, student. Inside that, I'll take one roll number variable called int n and then char ch. Okay. Then I'll write printf double quotes percentile d comma size of, okay, I want to structure variable. I'll write s1. Just a second. I'll declare that s1 here. S1. Now, can you tell me what will be the output? Boys and girls, can you tell me what will be the output for this? Can you guess? Please try, everyone. Yeah. Yes. Theoretically, answer is 5. Exactly. Because it's a union. Union will allocate some of the memories. Exactly fine. But just try. Just see that carefully. If I run it, answer will not be 5. It will be something else. Can you guess what it will be? If I run it, it will not be 0 also. Just see that. What is there is something wrong? Okay. No problem. That's a warning. What is the output you are getting? You are able to see that 8 is the output. If you use percentile LD, you will get it properly. Just see that. What's the output you are able to get? I hope it's visible to you all. 8 is the output. Why? Yeah. So this concept is called as padding. What happens is nothing but it will try to take the sizes as 4 bytes. Okay. See, first integer is 4 bytes. For integer, it will allocate 4 bytes of memory. Then for character, it will allocate 1 byte of memory. Okay. But yeah, due to the concept called structure padding, structure will always try to allocate the memory in terms of largest capacity member. Here, which member has largest capacity? Integer. So it will try to occupy memory in similar blocks. So this 1 byte will also become the 4 byte block. In this 1 byte is used, 3 bytes is wasted. But it is allocated. That's why the output is 4 bytes plus 4 bytes. Total is 8 bytes. Understood that, boys and girls? Is it clear? I'll tell you one more example, but I hope this one is clear, everyone. Okay, just tell me. For example, if I take this one also, I'll take one more character, ch comma ch1. Now, can you tell me what will be the output? Can you guess? What do you think the output will be? 12? Yes. 12 or 8? Just think carefully. You says 12, you says 8. Yeah. Just see here, everyone. Answer will be still 8. Still 8. Why? Just listen carefully. How is it allocating? You have to understand. First 4 bytes. Okay. Next 1 byte for ch. Okay. This is ch memory, which is 1 byte. Another 1 byte for ch1. And then nothing else we can allocate. So it will try to take this one also as another 2 bytes, which is wasted. Okay. Now like this. Now total is what? 8 bytes. Like this it will allocate. Understood that now? Wasn't else. Is it clear? Even if you take third character also, ch3 or ch2 also, it will still be 8 only. If you take 4 also, still 8. But if you take 5 characters, what will happen? If you are allocating memory variable for 5 characters, it will be 12. It will jump to 12. It won't be 10. It will jump to 12. See, it has to allocate memory in terms of fours, multiples of 4. So it will directly jump to 12. Exactly. Okay. I hope everyone understood that. Now, same thing happens. Okay. One more thing. For example, let us assume, +9195155. Just see. For example, I have one character array. For this, can you tell me what will be the memory allocated? Okay, sorry for that. Answer is 16. Okay. So see here, just boys and girls, just understand. See, which one is the highest capacity variable here? Can you tell me which one is highest capacity variable? Is it character or integer? No. Character will allocate more memory. That's okay. It's a 10 bytes one. Which one has highest capacity variable? In terms of individual value, for a normal one value we have to consider. See, character array it is. It's a collection of characters. We cannot consider it as largest. It's a integer only largest. So it is 4 bytes. That means again you have to allocate memory in terms of multiples of 4 only. Okay. For integer 4 bytes. For character what will happen? First it will allocate 4. Is it sufficient? No. It will allocate another 4. Is it sufficient? No. It will allocate another 4. Is it sufficient? Yes. So what is the total memory now as of now? Here it is 12 for character array and here it is 4. So total is what? 16. Understood that? Is it clear now? Question else? I hope it's clear. Same thing. There is some padding in union also. That's why I wanted to tell you. See, for example, if I change this as union, can you tell me what will be the output now? If I change it to union, what do you think the output will be? Theoretical answer is different, practical answer is different. Theoretically, for structure also some of the memories, but practically answer is different. For union also theoretically answer is different, practically answer is different. 8, few says 4, few says 8. Think carefully. 10, okay. I got multiple answers here. Still anyone guessing? Make it fast. Don't know? Okay, fine. See here, I'll tell you. See, very simple boys and girls. See, in this again, union also will always allocate memory for the single member which has highest capacity in it. Actually, right? Yes. So, but that means what? Which one integer has more capacity or character has more capacity? Integer. That means it should actually allocate 4 bytes. But if you allocate 4 bytes, can you store the character array? No. So what will happen? It will try to allocate memory for the character array in multiples of integer. Okay. So that means what? It will allocate 4, 4, 4, 12 bytes. Now, in this 12 bytes, can I store integer? Yes, obviously. It will not allocate memory for both of them. It will allocate memory for character array, but that in terms of multiples of the highest member of the highest capacity member. Highest capacity member is 10 is enough, but it should be in terms of multiples of 4 here. It should be in terms of multiples of highest capacity member. So that means what? It will be 12. Shravani, I mean, you don't need to allocate in union, we don't need to allocate memory for both numbers. We'll allocate memory for the largest data type member actually. Largest memory needed one. Capacity largest is integer, but largest memory is needed for character array. You have to allocate memory for character array in multiples of integer. That means what? I have to allocate memory for character array in multiples of 4, which is nothing but 12. Understood that? Is it clear? Got it, everyone? Yeah. Yes. See that answer? I'll show you that answer will be 12. Okay. If you take integer array also, it will be similar only. Let's see that. For example, if I take int ch of 20, 10, what will be the output? It should be in multiples of 4, 40 bytes. 10 blocks of memory in multiples of 4, 40 bytes. That's all right. Understood that? More for more clarity, maybe just see. Tell me what will be the output for this. Now you will get clarity, maybe, if anyone is still having any confusions. Can you guess this? Double n and then integer array of 10. Please try the output, everyone. 40. Okay, we'll see. 40. Everyone says 40. Double is 8 bytes. Yes, double is 8 bytes. I have to allocate memory for integer array, which needs 40 bytes in terms of multiples of 8. Actually, how much I need for integer array? 40 bytes, right? Not 80. Let's see. How many bytes I need for integer array? 40 bytes. Now, can I make 40 in terms of multiples of 8? Yes or no? Is it possible to make 40 in terms of multiples of 8? That's right, 8 5s are 40. That's why it will allocate only 40 bytes. If it was not possible, then it would have been allocated 8, 8, 8, 8 separately and then check that manually. But 40 is possible in multiples of 8. That's why it will allocate 40. Understood that? Madam. Trainer. Clear, I hope? What happened? Some doubts? But that allocates only for the integer. What about double char? Yes, Mona. See here, union, right? Union will allocate only member for the largest capacity, largest data type, largest size needed for. In this 40 only, see in union you cannot access both the values at a time. I hope you know that. If you want to access double variable, you should access only that. If you want to access character integer array, you have to access only that. One after the other will access it. We will not access both at a time because it's a union. Union will always in union will access members of the union only one at a time. Both of them together will not access it. I hope you understood what I mean. Okay, cool, super. Others, is it clear? Any other doubts, anyone? Remember, this is very important concept. You get a lot of questions in the interviews. Theoretically, I mean, in writing, while writing multiple choice questions, don't think of practical answers. Answer theoretically only. But when you go for interviews, make sure that you are telling both the answers, theoretically as well as practically. Okay, cool. Going for the next one. This one is very simple one. We are just taking a variable m. It will allocate memory for the largest member, which is 4 bytes. Here we don't have nothing special. In 4 bytes only, I can store 1 byte. There is no multiples, nothing concept here. Okay. So answer is 4 for that. Next, see this question, everyone. Okay, I guess everyone got the answer, but I see different answers. 16 only. Okay, majority saying 16. Cool. Okay, looks like everyone got the answer. If anyone didn't get it, just see that it's a question of recursion again. It's important one. Just see that carefully. First, n equals to 2. Function n2. So in the first block, we'll call the function with 2. Okay, I think just a second. So in the first function, I'm calling n equals to 2. I'll write it here just for clarity. Okay, n is 2. In this, what we are doing? We are just checking 2 equals to 4. Is it true? No. As it is false, it will come to else part and check 2 into fun of something. So it is like 2 into, I'll write f of, okay, which consider that as function. f of some value. What is that value? Let us see that. What is f of that? That means n plus 1. N plus 1 means what? 2 plus 1, which is 3. So I am calling the function with 3. Now, n equals to 3. Now, again, in this function, again it is check. 3 equals to 4. Is it true? False. As it is false, it will come to else part. In that again, 2 into f of n plus 1. That means f of 4. Am I right? 3 plus 1, which is 4. So again, it will call. Now, in this n value is 4. What is it? What is it doing? If you observe, when n equals 4, what is happening? 4 equals to 4. True. Return n. That means what? This function is returning 4. But tell me, where will it return? Wherever we call this block. Where did I call this block? Here. Right. That means this function will return the value here. What it will return? 4. That means f of 4 is considered as 4. That means 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is what? 8. This 8 will be returned here, where we called f of 3. That means f of 3 is replaced as 8. So 2 into 8, which is 16. That will be returned to the actual call. Understood, everyone? Question else? I hope it's clear and easy. Clear, everyone? If any doubts, please ask. If not, that's the answer. I hope no doubts. Yes, cool, super. Going for the next one, just see the next one. Try this question, everyone. I think this one we have done it just before. Skipping this. See that person else. This one we have done just before. Next. I think this one also we have done, if I'm not wrong. Did we do it? Some 4 or 5 questions will be repeated, but just let me know whether it is done or not. Done, right? I think in the morning session only we have done. Done or not? I'm not sure whether it is same question or maybe similar one. Not the same one, I guess. I think we didn't do it. Can you try? Or maybe we would have done it in the you would have done it in the last class, if not today. I think so, but today or not class? Last class. Last class. Okay. Yes. Not today, but you have done it in the last class. Okay. It will be 3 minus 3. It's a very big lengthy iteration. Okay. We'll do it by eliminating the options, this one. It's a very lengthy process question. That's okay. Try this question, everyone. Yeah. Some variables are declared. Assume all the variables are declared. Just try this and let me know. Or maybe this one is also done. I hope you got it. It's a Fibonacci series, right? I hope you understood that, everyone. Others still doing it, I guess. Make it fast. What is the program doing? We are printing n equals to 5. So how many 5 terms we are printing? What are those 5 terms you have to see? Everyone understood that it's a Fibonacci series or not? I think by doing it two or three iterations, you can easily understand it's a Fibonacci series. I hope. What happened? I got very few responses, boys and girls. Only two, three people responded. Others got the answer or not? Fibonacci series. It is mentioned here print value. We are printing value, a variable called value. Check that. I think you missed that statement, Sai. We are printing the value. Okay, just see that everyone. It's a Fibonacci series question. Now, first, initially value is 0, x1 is 0, x2 is 1. Okay, n is running for 5 times. Now, print value. What is the first value? 0. So, first output I get is 0. Okay, I'm just writing it on the top left corner. See that. 0 I have written. Maybe I should change the color. It's not visible, I guess. Got mixed with the other colors. So 0 we are printing. After that, the next one is what? Value equals to x1 plus x2. x1 is 0, x2 is 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So value will become 1. Okay. Then x2 is equals to x1. Whatever the value that is there in x1, that is copied into x2. Right? x1 value that is copied into x2. That means x2 will become 0. Let me write it here. x2 will become 0. After that, x1 equal to value. That means what? What is the value which we have in value? 1. So x1 will become 1. Okay. Then after that goes back. N was 1. It was done. Now n is 2. And n is 2 again enters inside print value. What is the value now? 1. So second output we get is 1. After that again value equal to x1 plus x2. Which is nothing but 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. Am I doing right or did I make any mistake? I hope I am correct. Yeah, correct only. 0 plus 1, 1. Value will become 1 again. Now, x2 equal to x1. That means x1 value is copied into x2. That means x2 will become 1. Then x1 equal to value. That means value is copied into x1. Same 1 only. After that goes back, repeat n. Again, value, print value. Value is 1. Now, value equal to x1 plus x2. x1 is 1, x2 is 1. So, x1 plus 1 is 2. So, x2, sorry, where is that? Value will become 2. What happened to my mouse? Just a second, boys and girls. Okay. No, just a second. I hope by now you would have understood that. If you observe, we are adding 0, 0 plus 1, and first we printed 0, next we printed 1, next we added 0 plus 1 and printed 1. Next we will add 0 plus 1, sorry, 1 plus 1 and we'll print 2. So observe that, you will get it. Just a second. Some problem with my laptop. Hope it works now. Yeah. No, there is something wrong. Okay. No, no, no. Okay, so now we are adding x1 plus x2, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Okay, so I'll add that, I'll write that it is 2. After that, what will happen? Again, x1 is copied into x2. That means 1 is copied here, right? So it will become 1. Now x1 equal to value. That means value, this will become 2. If you observe, value is 2 now. Goes back, print value. It prints 2. Right? Then after that, again comes x1 value equal to x1 plus x2, 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 3. After that, you are copying x1 into x2. That means this is copied here. It becomes 2. Then after that, 3 is copied into x1. So x1 will become 3. After that, goes back, print value, which is 3. Right? The 5 times done, stop. Understood that? By now itself, you would have understood that it's a Fibonacci series, which is running for 5 times. Any doubts, anyone? Boys and girls? I hope it's clear. Going for the next one. Easy one only. Just see the next one. Let's try this. But the answer already? Look like few people got it. 49 1. Whatever others, make it fast. Haripriya, we are printing A value and B minus 1 values. Like that. Print A or print B minus 1. Which one is getting printed and how many times? Both we have to check. I hope you didn't see that printing statement probably. Oh, if you got 4910, if you got 4991. Check it carefully. I'm giving another 1 minute. If you want to do that, just cross check once. Okay, I hope I have given enough time. 49, oh, 4931, 4930. I gave more time, I'm getting more different answers. Is it so? What happened? Is it difficult? Any confusions? I don't think it's that difficult. Just check it carefully, boys and girls. Once again, if needed. I got different answers for this. 30 seconds more max. If you want to check that, check that. Redo it, everyone, once. Why I got different these many answers for this? I don't think nothing difficult here, right? Why different answers then? Okay, let's see, no problem. Okay, fine. Everyone listen carefully. I see a lot of people got different answers for this. Listen carefully. Okay, A and B are there. A is equals to 2, B is equal to 50. Then we are writing A is equals to B mod 2. What is 50 mod 2? Boys and girls, what is 50 mod 2? 50 divided by 2, what do we get? 0, right? Remember. 0 plus A. 0 plus A means what? 2. 0 plus 2 means 2 only. Are we updating A value? It is still 2. Am I right? We didn't change A value yet. Okay, A is still 2. No change. I'll not update. Now it comes here. A mod 3. What is 2 mod 3? 2 mod 3 is 2 only. Right? 2 mod 3 is 2 only. 2 is equals to 0. Is it true? No. It will go to the else part and print B minus 1. B minus 1 means 50 minus 1. 50 minus means 49 will be printed. First output, what you have said, everyone said 49 only. So that's correct. But tell me, did we change B value or did we just print B value? Did we update B value as 49 or we just printed? What did we do? As of now, we did not update the B value, right? We just printed. Yes or no? I hope you understood that. Just printed, right? Yes, cool. So now next, after printing 49, what we are doing? As if is not executed, else is executed, will come out of that also. B is equals to B by 5. B was 50, 50 by 5. What is 50 by 5? 50 by 5 is 10. Am I right? 50 by 5 is 10. So B value is 10 right now. I am updating it here. B value is 10. After that, A is equals to A plus 1. A was 2. A will become 3 now. I am writing it here only. Again, from here it goes back. Now 10 greater than 0. True. Enters inside. 3 mod 2. What is 3 mod 2? Sorry, B mod 2, right? 10 mod 2. My mistake. B mod 2. 10 mod 2. What is 10 mod 2? 0 only, right? 10 mod 2. 10 is divisible by 2. It is 0. 0 plus a. That means what? A only, which is nothing but 3. Are we changing a value? No. A is still 3. So it comes here. Now 3 mod 3. What is 3 mod 3? 0. As it is 0, it is true. It will enter inside and prints a value, which is 3. Second output is 3, not 9. I hope everyone understood that. Is it clear, everyone? Boys and girls, people who said 9 and people who said other answers. I hope you got it now. It's 3. Second output is 3. After that, what will happen? It as if is executed, else will not get executed. It comes for b is equal to b by 5, which is nothing but 10 by 5. What is 10 by 5? 2. B value will be updated as 2. Now a is equal to a plus 1. A was 3. That will become 4. I'm writing it here. A is 4 right now. Now again comes here b. 2 greater than 0. 2 enters inside b mod 2. What is 2 mod 2? 2 mod 2 is still again 0 only. 0 plus a is what? A only. That means a is 4 only. No modification. Now 4 mod 3. What is 4 mod 3? 4 mod 3 is 1, right? 1 equal to 0. Is it true? False. Comes to the else part and prints b minus 1. That means what? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the third output we are getting is 1. After that again, b is equals to b by 5. What is 2 by 5? 2 by 5 is what? 0, right? 2 is not divisible actually, right? We consider 0 and the remainder is 2, 2 we consider. So b will become 0. And again a equal to a plus 1. A was 4, a will become 5. After that, it will come back to the while loop. Now 0 greater than 0. Is it true? False. As it is false, it will come out of the while loop. That's all. So what's the answer? 4931. People who said 4931, absolutely correct. But other answers wrong. Please check that. I hope you understood where you made mistakes. Everyone? Person else? Is it clear? People who gave different answers. I hope you understood where you made mistake. Can I go for the next one? Any doubts, please ask. If not, going for the next one. Clear? Super. See the next question. See this one, everyone. What's the answer, boys and girls? 8 factorial. Is it so? Wrong statement in 4 line. Line number 4. Is it so? F is equals to F into I we are writing. What will happen? We have to figure out. That's it. What's wrong in that? I didn't get it. Line number 4, you are saying it's wrong. F equals to F into I. F is the number which is 1. I'm multiplying that value with 1 every time. What's wrong in that? I didn't get it. Can you brief me more? I didn't get value of 8 factorial. That's okay. No problem. Let's see the options. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. I think by looking at the options, boys and girls, you can answer it very easily. See, what is it is actually calculating, it's multiplying the values of 1 to 8 to the variable called f. Initially, f is 1, I is equal to 1, 1 to num you are running. That means 1 to 8 you are running. So f equal to f into I. F will be multiplied with 1 first time. Next time, yeah, f will be 1 into second time I will be 2. It will be multiplied with 2. Next time it will be multiplied with 3. Next time it will be multiplied with 4. But result will get multiplied with 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah. If they ask, they won't ask for larger numbers. And that too. We will see it, Pushpa, we will depend it. We'll choose the answer depending on the options. Okay. If they have runtime error, then we might choose runtime error because it's a huge number. Okay, because runtime will be more. Or maybe in an integer we cannot store it or something like that. Okay. As of now, we can look at the options. Here, 081 is never the answer. Obviously, it's a larger number. The only larger number which is available in that is how to calculate value of factorial. Multiplication, dear. See, multiply 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. How to multiply this? Okay. Nothing, no formulas. Product of n natural numbers, as of my knowledge, I don't think any formula. Just search it on Google. I don't remember anything special. Let us try. Even I wanted to know. I never tried searching it. Product of n natural numbers. Do we have anything? Anyone knows? Product of n natural numbers. Formula. Do we have it? Maybe it should be there. Some mathematical derivation. No, there is no formula, it seems. Okay. Google gives there is no formula. As of my knowledge, no. Okay. Maybe you have to try generating it. Okay. I hope I can go for the next one. Going for the next one. Please try this. See this question, everyone, and please try that. Prototyping version is taking much time for this. Do you find it difficult? I don't think so. Just check it carefully. Easy one only. Okay, zero if you got one, zero if you got zero, nothing printed. At the bottom, see print end of loop. Here, someone who asked nothing printed. At the bottom, we have printing statement. print end of loop. What is that loop array having? Sorry, end array having. IND is an array which is an integer array. In that, what is the element? You have to, whatever the number of elements are there and whatever they are, it gets printed. Zero, one, if you got zero, if you got one, null, okay. Lot of answers I am getting here. Another 1 minute if you are still checking. Okay, I hope I have given enough time. Just see that it's a very simple question. Just try to understand carefully. That's it. We have a string which is India. In that some string is there. In that India is there, and we have one character called N. Now we are taking one array int which is of size 10 integer array. Then we have one variable called loop, another variable called j equal to 0. Now loop variable equal to 0, str of loop. That means str of 0 not equal to null. Null means what? Null is, this is what? Null character, right? In C language, we end string with null character, right? That means if it after India, A, it will store null. I hope you know that. Okay. Now, inside that, as it is not null, I is not null. Right? So it enters inside str of loop. That means str of 0. Is it equal to ch? I equal to ch. I equal to n. Is it true? No. If it is true, we are writing end of j plus plus equal to loop. But it is not true. So as it is not true, it will not execute. It will go back. Loop equal to loop plus 1. Loop value will become 1. Now str of 1. What is str of 1? N. It will enter inside n not equal to null. True. N equal to ch. True. As it is true, it will enter inside IND of j plus plus. J was 0. That means IND of 0. IND of 0 will become plus plus. Initially, there are no values. That means we have to consider is equals to loop. What is loop variable? At which index we found n? Index 1. At I loop equal to 1. That means 1 will be stored here. That's all. After that, what? As it is true, it next goes back loop equal to loop plus 1. Loop value will become 2. Now 2 is nothing but for D. Now D equal to CH. D equal to N. Is it true? No. Loop value will be incremented to I. Loop value will become 3. It is I. I equal to N. False. Goes back. Loop value will become 4, which is nothing but A. Okay. For A, what will happen? A equal to CH. False. Goes back. Loop value will become 5. Comes null character. Loop equal to null character. False. Right? This is false. It comes out of it. Out of it, what is there? Print IND of loop. Loop is running for multiple times, j times. J is what? Only one bit. We printed, we added a value at 0th index and j was made as 1. We are printing only one time. 0 less than 1, 2 prints IND of 0. IND of 0 is what? That's it. After that, nothing else stops. Actually, what is it doing? It is trying to print the values at which n is existing. In the string, wherever n is there, all that indexes would have got printed. Yes or no? Understood, boys and girls? Understood the logic or not? For example, instead of this, maybe I'll take some string like Indian. I'm adding another n at the end. In that case, can you guess what will be the output? Boys and girls. Indian. INDIAN. This is the given string. In that case, what will be the output? Can you guess? Exactly. 1, 5. What are the indexes at which? Not 2. We are not counting it. Try to understand carefully. IND of J. We are storing the index in the array called IND. Here we are at the index 1 we have 10 and 2, 3, 4, 5 we have. So answer will be 1, 5. In the IND array, we are storing the indexes at which n occurred in the given string. Understood the logic, everyone? I hope it's clear now. Going for the next one. If any doubts, please ask. Not just in the next question. This question, everyone. Fun1 is called with 5. If the input is 5, what will be the output for this? Dear, just see that Sunta, it's given in the below bottom. N is 5. I wrote that right. N is 5. And here they are telling fun1 is called with n as 5 and 1 is given right. That means we are calling the function fun with 5 comma 1. So n value will be 5, a value will be 1 initially. Okay, understood that? I hope you understood that. Let's see the question carefully, you'll get it. It's given properly. By looking at the program, you can easily understand what is it doing. It's a recursion question. Got it, everyone? I hope everyone got 120. It's actually calculating the factorial, right? Let's see that. It's very simple one. First, n is 5 comma 1. We are calling the function with 5 comma 1. Okay. What will happen? It will call the function. It will take n equal to 0. N is what? 5. 5 equal to 0. Is it true? False. As it is false, it will come into the next one. Return fun of. Inside this, we are calling the function with f of, see that, n minus 1. What is n minus 1? 5 minus 1. 4 comma n into a. What is n and a values? 5 and 1. 5 into 1 is what? 5. We are calling the function with 4 comma 5. This will again call the function with what? 4 comma 5. It will take 4 equal to 0. Is it true? False. As it is false, it will call f of n minus 1. That means 3 comma 4 into 5. What is 4 into 5? 20. Am I right? Now f of 3 comma 20, what will happen? It again come 3 equal to 0. False. Again, it will call the function with what? 3 and 20 means it will call function with f of 2 comma 3 into 20. What is 3 into 20? 60. So for 2 comma 60, what will happen? It will call the function with f of 1 comma 120. For 1 comma 120, what will happen? It will again call the function with f of 0 comma 120 into 1. Which is nothing but 120. For f of 0 comma 120, what will happen? Now see, n equal to 0. True. It returns what? A. What is a value now? 120. Understood that, everyone? It's actually a factorial program, right? Is it clear or not, boys and girls? It's calculating the factorial. I hope you understood that. Can I go for the next one if it's clear? Any doubts, anyone? I hope no. No responses means no. Can I consider? Okay, going for the next one. Try the next one. Okay, see this question, everyone, and try it. Okay, I hope everyone got the answer. It's not a difficult one. It's a very simple one. Error or infinite loop. Okay, flower, error or infinite loop. Okay, just here. Boys and girls, I have taken int a before main function. Now, if you take before main function, what is that variable called as? Can you tell me what is that variable called as? Boys and girls, if you take a variable outside main function, it is called as global variable. Okay, when you don't initialize the global variable, what will the default value of it? What value it will take? Will it take garbage value or will it take zero? Zero for sure. Why? Because default value of the data type it will take. 100% sure it will take zero. So a value is zero now. Now if you write while zero means true or false? While zero means true or false? False. As it is false, it will not enter inside while loop, right? It will directly come out of while loop. Out of while loop means it will come here, right? Because indentation they have given. You have to observe the indentation. Okay. These two are should be considered inside that. Don't think of flower braces. Don't think of end of for. Okay. It will come out of while. Out of while, what is there? Flower. After printing flower, is there anything else? Any because zero no Mohan. No. While of zero. Zero means false, right? Any zero means false. Any non-zero value is true in C language. If of one is true, if of zero is false, considered right. Understood that? Yeah. Anytime if we get zero, it is false. If we get one or two or -1 or -10, any number, it is true. Zero false, non-zero value true. Okay. So answer is flower. Just flower. Only once. Not infinite loop, not error. Answer is flower. Next. This one, I think we have done it. No, we have done something similar, but not same one. Please try this. Similar one, but not the same one. Please try it. What happened? Got the answer or not? 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you sure? It's not reverse. Observe that. It is R power 3. Okay. It is R power 3. It's not R XOR 3. It's power. Okay. Consider R power 3. Okay. Got it. 100 is the answer. Everyone. It is actually, if you observe, it's very simple thing. If you remember, we calculated reverse. Instead of adding R simply and multiplying Rn with 10, we are adding R power 3 every time. That means what? Getting the last digit, finding the cube of it. 4 power 3. Plus again get the last digit, 3 power 3. Again get the last digit, 2 power 3. Again get the last digit. We have done a lot of questions like this. Similar questions. So it is just adding the cubes here. Right. If anyone didn't understand, I'll just tell for them. Just listen carefully. 100. Yes, 100 is the answer. It is actually 4 cube plus 3 cube plus 2 cube plus 1 cube. Okay. See here, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the n value. Now we are copying that into q. Now we are at q greater than 0. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 greater than 0. True. R equals to q mod 10. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10. We get 4. So R value will be 4 initially. Then what we are doing? Rn is equals to Rn equals to Rn plus Rn is initially 0. 0 plus R power 3. That means what? 4 power 3. What is 4 power 3? Can you tell me what is 4 power 3? 64. Am I right? So Rn will become 64. 4 power 3 is 64. 4 into 4 into 4. Calculate that. Next, Q is equal to Q by 10. Q was 1, 2, 3, 4. It became 1, 2, 3. Right? 1 to 3.0, but we have to consider 1 to 3. So goes back up to greater than 0. 1 to 3 greater than 0, 2. R equals to Q mod 10. That means 123 mod 10. 123 mod 10 will be 3. So R value will be 3. Now you are calculating 64 plus 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 27. Right? What is 3 cube? 27. So 27 will be added. Okay. Next. Q equal to Q by 10. 123 will become 12. And becomes 12. 12 greater than 0. 2. Enters inside. 12 mod 10. 12 mod 10 is 2. Then that means R is 2 now. We are adding 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 8. Am I right? 8 will be added. Okay. Next. After that, Q equal to Q by 10. That means 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is 1. So Q will become 1. Now checks 1 greater than 0. True enters inside. 1 mod 10. 1 mod 10 is 1. Now 1 power 3 is 1 only. So if you add all these values, what do you get? 100. Right? Add all the values, you will get 100. Now Q equal to Q by 10. Q will become 0. As it is 0, 0 greater than 0 is false. That's it. No, it's not XOR, dear. In this question, it's not XOR. Actually speaking, they'll mention whether it is XOR or they'll mention something like this. In this question, they didn't mention, but they'll mention. Okay. Okay. Clear? They'll mention what does that symbol mean. Answer is 100. Next, let's try this next question. I think this question, did we do it earlier? No, I guess. Let's try it. Yeah, let's try this. Something similar we have done, but not the same thing, I think. Let's try it. Okay, looks like everyone got B3 as the answer. Let's see that. What is it? It's very simple thing only, I guess. A is equals to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 3, D equal to 4. D less than 5. What is D? 4. 4 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. As it is true, we have to check the second one. True and something. What is that and? D greater than C equal to A plus B. What is A plus B? 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 5. So D greater than 5. What is D? 4. 4 greater than 5. Is it true? False. So as it is false, it will come to the else part and print B value. What is B value? B value was 3. Sorry, not B value. B. It's capital B, right? So it will print B. And then what is C value? C value was 5, right? So B5, not B3. Boys and girls, answer is B5, not B3. B5 is the answer. Okay. Why? Because it is false. Second condition is false. And C value got updated. Okay. B5 is the answer. Answer is B5. Okay. Next. Try this next question. Please try this, everyone. Nothing theory is given. That theory is not necessary. 3, 4, 6, 1. Okay. Array elements are given. Just see that array elements. 3, 4, 6, 1, 2 are the elements. I'll write that back here. for you. 3, 4, 6, 1, 2. 3, 4, 6, 1, 2. These are the array elements. What is the output? You have to predict. And I think POS value is also given. POS is given as 2. Sorry, I didn't tell you that. POS is 2. POS value is 2 and the array elements are 3, 4, 6, 1, 2. Got the answer 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm getting multiple answers. We just print the whole array. We are not printing any half of the array. We are printing the whole array after that. Okay, just see that. Position, is it done or not? Still doing it, everyone? I got only few responses. Make it fast, others. Okay, I hope I have given enough time. Just see that. J is equal to position. That means J is equals to 2. Now, we are writing A of J equal to A of J plus 1. That means the value at index 3 is copied into index 2. What is the value at index 3? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. That means here 1 is shifted here. That means it will become 3, 4, 1, 1, 2 as of now. Do you agree? After that, what will happen? Again goes back. J will become J plus 1, which is nothing but 3. What is the size of the array? 5. That means 3 less than 5. 3 less than or equal to, sorry, 3 less than or equals to 5 minus 1. 3 less than or equal to 4. True? Interest inside. Again, A of 3 is updated as A of 3 plus 1. That means value at A of 4. A of 4 means what? 2. Value at 4 is copied into this place. That means it will become 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. After that, again, J plus plus, J will become 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. True. Entries inside. But again, A of J is copied into A of J plus 1. A of 4 is updated as A of 4 plus 1. But do we have A of 5? Nothing. So it will not update anything. After that, that's it. And then n equal to n minus 1 we are doing. That doesn't affect us in any way. So it just prints what? 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. Answer is 3, 4, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Sorry. N equal to n minus 1 means what? We are reducing the size itself, right? My mistake. Sorry. N equal to n minus 1 means we are reducing the size of the array as 5 to 4. That means it will print the whole array up to 4. That means what? 3, 4, 1, 2 is the answer. Got it? 4 elements only it will print. I hope it's clear, everyone. Only 4 elements. 3, 4, 1, 2. Just shift the elements, then after that print. Once again. Okay. People who need once again, just see that. Okay, just see that first we have this array. You people understood if you need repetition, just see that whoever needs repetition, who asks for repetition, listen carefully. Just write the array elements first. Just a second, voice. Mouse is irritating today. No idea why. Okay. So first I have the value called 34612. These are the elements I have. 3, 4, 6, 1, and 2. For understanding, I'll write the indexes also for this. Indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the indexes. Okay. I hope this is clear, everyone. And position is given as 2. It is given in the question. POS is 2. Next. Now let us see. When j is equals to 2, what is happening? J is initially 2. When j equals to 2, and we are writing 2 less than or equals to n minus 1. N is 5. N less than or equals to n minus 1 means 4. 2 less than or equal to 4, true, enters inside. Inside that, what will happen? A of j is updated as A of j plus 1. A of 2 is updated as A of 2 plus 1. That means A of 3. What is A of 3? 1. That is copied where? Into A of 2. That means what? In the place of 6, that will become 1. Do you agree, everyone? This becomes 1. I hope you understood clear. After that, end of loop, that means it will go back to j plus plus. J value will become 3. Now 3 less than or equal to 4. True. Enters inside. Now A of 3 is updated as A of 3 plus 1. That means A of 4. What is A of 4? 2. That is copied in the place of A of 3. That means what? In this place of 1, I'll get it as 2. After that, again I plus plus, I will become 4. Sorry, j will become 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. True, enters inside. A of 4 is updated as A of 4 plus 1. That means what? A of 5. Do we have anything called as A of 5? No. So it will not copy anything, or maybe even if it is there also, let us consider garbage value. Garbage value will be copied and placed here. This becomes garbage value if I consider that. Okay, because A of 5 is not existing. Not a problem. After, that means what? 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2 is the current array. After that, again, j will become 5. 5 less than or equal to 4 is false. That means terminate. It will come out of that, and then we are writing n equal to n minus 1. N was 5, now n will become 4. That means what? The size of the array was n, that we reduced to 4. Right? So now after that, we are printing the new array. What is the new array? 3, 4, 1, 2. With size 4 elements. 4 as the size. That's all right. Understood that now? Is it clear now? 3, 4, 1, 2 is the answer. I hope you understood that. Yes or no? People who asked again, I hope it's clear. Please let me know it's clear or not. If still any doubt, please ask. What's the doubt? Clear? Okay. Great. Let's go for the next one. Okay. See this question, everyone. Just a second. Okay. Leave this question. That question is not complete. That's half. Question is half. Ignore that. That's not a problem. Question is not complete. So try this question, everyone. Inside else. Okay. Everyone got inside else only. If anyone else is still doing it, make it fast. Inside else. Okay. I got the majority answers as inside else. Just see that. X equal to 0, x equal to 1. Is it true? False. As it is false, it will come to the else part of this. Where is the else part of this if? This if is inside. If we don't have braces, we have to consider this if, second if inside the first if, right? So this else part of this is here directly. So directly answer will be inside else. Simple one. Right, inside else is the answer. Very simple. Next, going for the next one. Try this everyone. Oh, looks like everyone got the answer already. Easy one, I guess. Largest of three numbers, right? We are just comparing number and num2, storing the, and then again inside that we are comparing number and num3. If both are true, we are taking the result as num1. If not, we are taking the result as num3. Yes, super. Answer is 7. Exactly. Greatest of three numbers program. I hope everyone knows this. Going for the next one. Next, try this question, everyone. 8 and 9 are the inputs. What happened? Only few people, only two people got the answer. Others also make it fast. Okay, answer is 72. Everyone got it? Okay, if anyone didn't get it, just look at the screen and listen that everyone. Okay, just here everyone. 8 comma 9, 8 and 9 are the inputs. Now input is 8, 9. So first function is called with 8, 9. Okay. Now after that, what is happening? This f of 8, 9. Now inside that it will check a less than b, 8 less than 9. Is it true? Yes. As it is true, it will call the function return f of 9 comma 8. Am I right? It will call the function with 9 comma 8 because a is becoming b, b is becoming a, b comma a. Okay. Now it will, now in 9 comma 8 it will check 9 less than 8. Is it true? False. 9 not equal to 0. Sorry. 8 not equal to 0. True. Right? B not equal to 0. 8 not equal to 0. True. Enters inside a plus. That means what? 9 plus. 9 plus f of a comma, that means f of 9 comma b minus 1. That means it will become 7. Am I right? Yes or no, boys and girls? Am I correct till here? People who got the answer. I hope I am not doing anything wrong. Am I correct or not? 9 plus f of 8. Then, sorry, 9 comma 8. Then 9 plus f of 9 comma 7. Now, if 9 comma 7, what will happen? It will check. B not equal to 0. That means 7 not equal to 0. True. It will call 9 plus f of 9 comma 6. Right. Then again it will call 9 plus f of 9 comma 5. Then again it will call 9 plus f of 9 comma 4. For 9 comma 4, I am writing it here. It will call 9 plus f of 9 comma 3. 9 comma 3 will again call 9 plus f of 9 comma 2. Right? And again 9 plus f of 9 comma 1. Then again 9 plus f of 9 comma 0. For 9 comma 0, what will happen? You have to see. 9 less than 0, false, comes here. 0 not equal to 0, false. It will go to the else spot and return 0. That means 9 comma 0 is returned as 0. This is 9 plus 0. It returns here, which is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. It will return here. 18 plus 9 is 27. Am I right? That 27 will be returned here. Now 27 plus 9. What is 27 plus 9? 36. 36 will be returned here. Now 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 will be returned here. 45 plus 9 is 54. 54 will be returned here. 54 plus 9 is 63. 63 will be returned here. 63 plus 9 is what we get the answer, which is 72. Right? Understood that? Like this you can do. The answer is 72. I hope you understood that, everyone. In simple words, by actually speaking, if you understood what the program is, you are actually calculating 9 added for 7, 8 times. So 9 into 8 is the answer. If I have to tell it in simple words. Okay? Fine, boys and girls. Understood that? I hope it's clear, everyone. Okay, not necessary. Okay, fine, boys and girls. Just a second. 1 second.